bia I'm obi akwaba at the bar by Grace TV. So this is actually ampo yanko pardon. Abusua ye nyina ye ho ye mo obi akwaba bi se mo dika kan at the bar by Grace TV. So now nyame ho ye mobo ya se hia bi ye bedi nkomo e be share e won nsɛm ahodoɔ a ɛtɔ fam ɛwɔ yɛn man Ghana mu na yɛpɛ nsɛm no nyinaa poma si berɛ sɛdeɛ ɛsi ɛte abusua ɛnɛ nkɔmmɔ no ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ nkɔmmɔ a ɛwɔ a very short one but ɛntɛli a lot pɔpɔpɔpɔ nti mɛsrɛ sɛ as usual wobɛka me ho a na wasubscribe to the channel na afei walike na wacomment na washare ama obi a ɔte baabi ɛnso ɛnyɛ bi ahwɛ because we have a lot yeah the best me na ho nɛ na ne nyinaa ɛyɛ Mr. Emeka ɛnsensɛm wɔ ne nam wie mu a adeɛ kye adeɛ sa na update foforɔ ɛna ɛfiri mu ɛba no yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ bi ɛnɛ nso yɛn nyinaa yɛadwen hyɛ da ma so na yɛatwe yɛn nyinaa yɛ ho adwen ɛsi so mesrɛ sɛ sound no yɛ okay deɛ because sɛ menya signal bi wɔ ha sɛ sound no nyɛ stable bahyɛ wɔn a mohwɛ sound no yɛ okay kakra sɛ sound no yɛ okay deɛ neɛ moma yɛn ho ɛna yɛntoa so anaasɛ ɛhinhim kakra mote nso deɛ a yɛntoa so yes abusua ɛna yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ kakra bi quick one na yɛatwe adwene si nneɛma ba okay mate me dam ase yɛatwe ho adwene si nneɛma baako mmienu bi so na ɛnɛ mmea me de ma desrɛdeɛ bi bɛto Ghana mpanyinfoɔ anim because ɛno wobɛkae a yɛbɛkenkan petition bi wɔ ha sɛ yɛ a Ghanafoɔ bi atwerɛ na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo de kɔ General Legal Council ɛde akɔma mpanyinfoɔ ɛhwɛ mmara so wɔ Ghana ha na ɔmo aka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ nsɛm wei aba a bɛsensɛm wiem yi ɛde nneɛma bebree na aba nnipa bebree na etu anamɔ bi a ɔmo ho ne sɛ ha adwen na ɛyɛ ama Ghanafoɔ atɔ ba ha ama gyidie kura Ghanafoɔ binom wɔ okay mate na nama mate gyidie kura Ghanafoɔ binom wɔ ɛwɔ yɛn mmerɛ mu no ɛyɛ atɔ ba kakra ɛno ba bɛtɔ odwa ma nnura bɛkenkan ne kyerɛ ɔyɛ report am sɛ kan sɛ assistance na ɔpo no General Legal Council ɔmo nsa kakra ta nti yɛde ɔbɛtum anamɔ na bibia yɛbɛkɔ bɛde nneɛma bi akɔ so ya ebesi nɛ minimu adeɛ ebia na yɛ ma mu mpanyinfoɔ adwen hyɛ da ma so yie anampokre bia na ɔmo adwen aba so nanso ɔmo sɛ wedeɛ ɛyɛ fie bi mu asɛm enti yɛ dan yɛ ato betwa na nɛ ɛbɛkasa kakra bi na de majesty de akɔ mpanyinfoɔ asrɛ de majesty de ato mpanyinfoɔ nyinaa nim sɛ yɛbɛsrɛ baabi aduru no aduru baabi a wɔsɛ mpanyinfoɔ bam ɛne die nya ɔbrase kwan so I was in mpanyinfoɔ bam na ɔmo nyinaa bɛyɛ ɔmo afam deɛ na aboa ma nsɛm yi ɛto atwa animu ya because wɔ gyidie yie paa sɛ ɛnɛ yɛ 30th April Nyankopɔn yɛ adom ɔkyena na yɛ wura bosome num ɔkyena yɛ May ɛnɛ yɛ 30th April yi sɛ yɛhwɛ no sɛdeɛ sitie a that number yɛ nyame deɛ na ɛyɛ 26th of July 2025 abusua ebia ne adwen hyɛ da ma so but the free July ebedu net 30th of April ya yɛ woman ɛyɛ 9 months na nakakra gu so ɛyɛ 9 months 4 days 9 months 4 days brother dun ba yɛ nyame dia no ɛde ba besin there but if after 9 months 4 days and some in you hu ne tin hu ne nan adeɛ kye adeɛ sa no there is no assurance say and some you to baby chat. And the yes, ba for more out of nowhere. You who na bibi free baby a sabe boom. Na be Kenya and semunim. Na amount for cancer for. A yes, ba for more. Na bibi a sabe sometime. Na man some no idea. Said the econom. Yen penny farmer when you are na wɔne ɔka bi wɔ mu ɔman mu a wɔn ani amere ansɔre wɔn nsɛm wei so abusua yɛ bi ansɛm wei Ghanafoɔ betumi atena ho bɛyɛ sɛ mfie bɛyɛ sɛ mmienu anaa mmiɛnsa na Ghanafoɔ da so te nsɛm wei ho na Ghanafoɔ da so edi mu nkɔmɔ na ɛno ɛna nɛ ɛbɛkam nsɛm kakra yɛato mpanyinfoɔ bi anim yes that the lumba ɛyɛ abusua bi mu nipa no correct on a normal day mini kan kyerɛ mu sɛ abusua on a normal day asem we ya bay sabi onke obi fi asem in gayeno yen sem twefo ene mo kra bi abusia mo hwem a mo so mo di akoma pa di akire na ade achi ade sa mo bom pa ye pa de techire no on a normal day nke obi fi asem until now say sometimes your program will go up to me comment ko na abda you be fi asem na wo ka abda you dey ofi asem bi ene ho untimi nka ofi asem ona no kre e you be fi asem but don't bibi ensran ka nyame din se papa no twedi ampo nyankropon e de ne dom oman Ghana no wa afana anom anon ko ani fi twedi ampo nyankropon de ne dom ewiase e bibiman nyina no wa ma ya onon ko ani fi dia o nyame de ne dom ye man Ghana sabi di obeye wa asase so nyuntu obebo ye ne ade no wa mebo amane fi nko a Mr. Emeka nyame de ne besi o ma wiase nyina ama wiase ni pam ena besi na me na okasa busua omunya okase yi so mfa so enti yes oye efie bi mu dehye eye obi fi asem gitum akinye bia ni ho nanso no krepa ni nyame anim ni se despite the fact say oye obi fie enipa na se ye fie bi mu asem ne so mfa so ne so nsunsuan so ene ne pa Ghana manya free ni mu no ankoye ni fie nko an nyaye ankoye ebia wone ni nuanom nko a na se ni nuanom nko an nya ne so mfa so Ghana fo nyina be nya ne so mfa so e ma Ghana fo nyina be don eno nti na akwa ne se yi a se bi mesem training amtia ene mi nua sem training bi oti baabi ene obi biara waka da bi obeda sori na asem obusa ne se e die na nsem yi kura papa podwofo su nsem akwa akosi sei na akwa akodu sei na bede kwa ne to atwa adane Ghana fo hawo ene Ghana fo adwendwen ye no nti da bi edi nsem wachi no eno nti say argument of obi fi asem Mr. CM Fanton Chenkra. The argument not to Chenya, and then you bet me a baby say my moon penny for. So, a mumble mebois. Emma Bibiana Smudgy. A mumble mebois. The Bibiana Boko, because maybe the emoji parasite. Baby and sing we have a bedroom of Busia. Said, Naya, Yago portrait and poyadum. Naya my moon penny for. Yes, almost ban 7. Na baby and 7 o'clock could do piano, yes, why you be a ye, the Casawa you be at so. Enti ye man mpanyi fo eso mo ba nsem ne mu na wo be siesie ahwe o haw bi ewom ama asomdwe aba me ogidie pa asomdwe be ba na ne kina ya ama nsem ne to atwa now ebe na asomdwe aba asomdwe be ba eje se pepepe ya aba asomdwe be ba eje se abusuya no mu nipa bi a wo mo edi ya Simon the shiny Christians me nua be da se pa abusuya mo follow no ma me why mo subscribe to shiny Christians ma me o ye adwuma pa Minya me da se sasundwe be ba eje se obi biara wote baabi na odi ya obi biara wote baabi na o tinisuo obi biara wote baabi na odi aweho no yankropon twedi ampon ayadom na wo mo akoma to mo yem na boa masundwe aba because ye beka nyame so no kra ye nhyase ekura fra busua ne so ma me akoso abrempoma ye nyina ye nim se ni nia panyi ene ye papa ni nia ketsebi ni nia odi nachi ene that the lumba na that lumba di ma me akoso abrempoma echi enti ye denia ye kata the lumba asemo a ye ntimi nka ewa abra ye nyi ma me akoso abrempoma mfim na before that ma me address abusuafo unim se nsem we ye akoso nti me we dem dey be fam but my report nti no aposifo betun one and one bibia eboko ensem we ye koso ene ya report de be ma na adwe nkyere nti no me nim se nipa no a we say no na be comment wa ha no a enipa bi ashase I mean eba me inbox also my number there is always on my page near there e twensem bi e ha adwen na enye no nko a omo esanso twensem ama omo ko aye me sponsors of program yi so enipa bi efrefre me sponsors no kan nsem a chese enim kan nsem a me pese me go to me consem because you report the ama the necessary quarters a ombutu one among but ma menka bibi wa say adwuma me ye said ye madwen ye me won nsem ho na me ba be kire obi biara di ba bia obutumi akase me kwabena usu am gina ye nsem a me kase de me kire madwen no o ma me teku anaasɛ mpo asɛ Kwabena gye na ɛbɛka biribi wɔ ha obiara ntumi nkasa asɛm no and on by Grace TV yɛmɛgyina ha da biara da ɛmɛka sɛntia obiara yɛmɛgyina ha da biara da ɛmɛdi obi atɛm na mmom sɛ asɛm a ɛnim asɛm a ɛha adwen na because sɛ ohun ne sɛ mɛkyerɛ ma adwen na deɛ wopɛ sɛ mɛmɛka ma no anaa deɛ wopɛ sɛ mɛmɛka no mankɛnti no obesore di femi mi aka nsɛm wɔ nim di afa no deɛ mam saa da bi ɛnɛ a free birth and reba we dem be fam I've received calls and messages just me kwa de nkan ha me say me kwa na wo frɛ me na wo send messages ha atwe nkan ha me but who take it to be or your sponsor by Grace because your boy adverts now your come numbers and so the go so amount for fa e frɛ omo e fie a ye ton ya there. Now go ahead, Fred. One more a sponsored by Grace TV. A farm number is Fred Omo. Unim will be biada, but Oko cancer winning. Add to me so. A dim penny for Massa. I was for sad. Yet we are all trying to be very, delicate in this issue. But unim. So, me point in views I made Trentina who is a one in yarding. Until the dim atema attacking a personality, no crowd and hame, but all the become sponsors near this one. You and him say, Unye, now one our person can say the family. Then we take it on. Obia what to me say, as some bomb money more chen adwin. And me be any Ghana ha. You see, as soon as you are now bentin be quite say, as some one ba Ghana ha, and in adwin. The attention say you should be decorous and exercise decorum in expressing your view. Which is not wrong in any way. And Tiban is saying now, now I had then yeah, be free, baby free. And person me cancer be brave. Me person me cancer be brave. But wow, yes, I'm your man. You say they are shaming. And then I'm not part say me sponsors will be afraid. Oh, Kwabena say, but only no much say omo ahwe nipa ne kasa am say nyema kra anya okay. Me, I'm entitled to my opinion. Said your wow, I'm also entitled to your opinion. So you can share your view and maybe and so fine. What I say, but to go to see, I saw normally coming. I start saying, but coming can once him. But now, what could you level be say? My sponsors, Mr. Opoku Boachi, will be trading. Say, I'm out for a friend. But I know I catch him so and yet, my man and my name. And if you are made ton so. Or say, I need a bon number. That means no man can show you because if I call now, or yes, I am. That means what show the Debia. Tina unya omo numbers from. Mami o say papa I don't know. Mami o papa o say why obi biara a wo share by Grace TV. Ya wo na wo hye saa ne manase. Ana nipa biara a wo hye saa ne manase no. Also you're very careful. Say be ye jo. Ye bre ye ho ase. Ye jo, ye bre ye ho ase. Na emom no nche say obetimi abetwa for obi so. This is my view on issues. Me camera bi ansi me kwan ho. Se me kasa ne tiaw ne hawa, o ma me hu amepa wacho, me mro so. But untimi sorry free baby. Ensem ne bi wa me pesa meka. Na mpanyimfo wo baby na send messages ke cancel mu sa. Eye den ya nipa bi na hyase. Na me pesa me go through it because you go so your report on the amount appropriate quarters. Yeah, numbers ne ade a Africa kasansem hu na church sansem na no. Ma listening now ho. And ayana nipa bi won dwen say we are very smart but don't let me play along na me tie nsem a woka let me play along step by am getting more information from you because yes my number there is always on my screen over my videos na there numbers na that so and even ye show kra na obitimi you how obitimi come na oh mama for number na me pek akmen send the airtime ma and na my number. And to make crime, I mean, inbox the SS starting and you know they say a occupational hazard. I understand, but to go to the extra mile, say, and penyophobia be a may bomb money, maybe the rama, me ferry phobia. Now, because Obi cried the occasion, me person my casa, but I think there was a me addressing. Obi and Obi, because I mean, car, me person, by the way, I mean, car, because here they are. Obi de. Me picture being in na media and so say I am simple. Say me oni kunu ni me. The only ma wo ma 2 e wo London. Abusia only ma wo ma 2 e wo London. E na me dwane afiri ho. Me dwane afiri. On say
asem no kura ho a oka ka asem a ebese na we dey obi agye di say sanity. Okay, enti na me sponsors ni bi ebi no ladies bi lady bi o say minim wo mo na minim say lady o say be mo afre o so o enemy na sabi etie no mo ne ma wo matu e wo land na bridge mu na me feel o just say ensem hu sa masa eni bi say no etwa emo ni po hu da bi the anyasa ama anyasa pitwa as you know sometimes comments and some people of by na me many but there be enti am na many abrea me address this issue na then say nipa biara wo hye sansem hu na se no I mean me more sentence so there be na adwo anyasa pitwa me nye obi a me buro say maka bi na betwuma nim there ene say me yakora me de me no say me ka bi na me nya adwen ana man kan ye a utimi betenetene me utimi ye video ku atwuma nim me yakwada me tie na mafamu aba na me de abobra so what I say but abusu anya sam bitwa nipa bi ninam na me pese because me the mother appropriate quarters now ma tracking nipa down na aya na me pressure me pese me stress obi but sa me ma na ayekoso no me dim say nipa ko no hwe me because so on hwe me anka on who sponsors obi trading number enkofre amene wakofre obi trading company no number wafre trefin ladies say na ne kru ne me na de chese ensim musa somebody when you be no say me no ne mo matu mi fi nkra no any be cross be just be nim abusia aya semo na ye de ya minim say ye de ya sabi obi ntimi nsore prekope e me cancel bi sa fan ti ye de ne e be wo be free but onim Yame trading po boss ro ni asase on the hwe nyina Yame trading po boss ro ni asase onimo bia komamu ti wa ma ho kwan se enipa bi mfa onye adwuma bi sa na nipa bi ma ho fa kansem sa ento obi a wonim ne da so unhia na obabia da so no Yame show abelamu die betu na mo bia asase etu ti na ukai it's about my strong warning. Send me my strong warning. Say there be a free bia nipa bi hye wase no. Says ya de ohun se nipa bi na be hye wase amo aye sa na no. Na mbra nya so mu a e na bonzi wiase ati. Ana Ghana ha we mra wa ha. Me chese abuzu me chese me I don't mean tiase. Yes, Malizi, to my listening numbers, just my listening numbers, dear, yeah. Anyway, don't person me count once, but I didn't share my main car. So, any pa, Obia knew our person or the young Kufa how near my name. Men person ben nam so do we be near by a man here, there be that. Mean ye beside that. Name any panel, and then me catch you. I'm not sending those messages, Miss Sunday, strong one in the mouth, say, minimum baby. So when you say dear no mama 24 hours nipa bia waso wan say be keka sansem no sense one hour be keka sansem within 24 hours so sansem na nsi na me say another report biem because it's here and penifo na won my aware yeah o my ready say no fabra na yin to na mon yen track nipa no say nyame so adom IGP no madaroma cyber crime yimre full it's in force I bet me attract you. So, Beatrice, the question is say, on say me channel is so my number say. Okay, and sometimes we people with because come and give me your number. Let me send you something for airtime. And to my number they are difficult to get. And then people be testing me messages. A testing message say, I mean, I offer my sponsors name and pay for me. Quite actually, they don't take my temper, but me a bit dim at temper, inbox pa, I can't send baby, but then have me. And so let me sit here. No, Obi a waba me inbox be at the piano. Me nimu da kwa meti when meti me nimu ni wedding come because me nimu asemu ade na. And then nipa na fa actually akom ami wa frɛ my sponsors. Me from obi ni kura will show you so. Na waka and obi ni kura ma frɛ no. Our friend sponsors say me kwabena usu amete me ni papa. Na the bakoni zo nim me obi a menye Any simple brain to make crime, so many me delay, I'm careful, and I may go when in once. After grad, I won't find another person, so the Paquan Chester, where you will be over landing, now maybe a tour landing. Yeah, me, you're out. I said, oh, maybe you're man, I want to land, I'm no one my and I'm out putting name, my money, me, my putting my money, me, and my do Ghana hat is a mean fina made 30. Into my sponsors no numbers no offer no offer or mo didi o matem ni ade if you cry me you dey born the way number one na madam if you dey dia ni nia bi frame me ni organ frame number bi afre na wo tie nipa no kom a wo di mu a nipa no kom ni so because if you cry na me ton aye born the way wa say no nipa na ko frɛ o mo say o ono na frame me mami nchiri na mu ono na frame no frame me no me say if you meton me na meton fi no kwan me say me dey give 3.5 million dollars as some call just say me ma ko bro so am say o ko say much trade and penny phone na pen say oh there be and I say lady no kura ka say o friend me kra o ka say me fa o number mo me say me fa o number mo my ni just na say man fa if you run number ma o no lady na e ban say lady nya number friend ho no lady no nya papa I can see baby. Abusia, asem na aba, me ye Ghana ni. Me wo kwan se ye madwen ye me. The bibi cost na me ne ade kwan cost na nya adwen na me kire madwen am. Rabia nsi me kwan. Ana odwen se saa niema, I mean, bibi se na obeke kan ne ade be ma obi ebegya na adwen a wo kire ana. Nti ni ba kwa a wo ye saa no. When you say they are wo hwe me. And you are watching me, tina ma utimi nya me sponsors ne ade me and numbers echo from okay cars answer mu de chiro. But agya me adom me me ka. The sponsors na you omo a omo ti asem asem say akwamna da bi nipa no ti kasa mu so wonye papa. Ba bi free ba bia no. Ba bi free ba bia no. Me mpese ebe na me so. Na obi benya aban amane na bi me mpesa because sabio I know how tough it is. So benya aban amane. Na udwumadi mi close udi kwa ntimi ni nti mediki akasa nipa kro bia ofri bia ya odi ansem na obetu bia as bia ofri bia I mean ofri me sponsor kasa ansem cho no man nye the last na ntwase ho a na ni bibia konkon ho but say o yese o be ya ho be ma bebre a o yese o be ya ho say o de o na wo den e na wo na one me ba betwe o na wo be ya nioma ensem fata I'm telling you say yes, omo ni me pa no krama. And so omo de omo frame say no kwabna. Enipa no onye papa na wo kwabna usu de be den obi kra kasa asem bisa. Enti so odwen say bia suppose na omo enche den nimi ana bibisa na akoka asem de agume so just like that. Abusuya me enipa. Sme kwabna me yakala keto ya afi na me ba misre meka. Me ya be ma wari ni ena me ne me heretia. I'm very sure say be a very responsible man. Coming jam here or London, Emmetina Ghana. I said we grad here, we look at it. Send Kuni on him to London. And I made Janivo, a January film crano. Abba Ghana has said, Memphino. Oh, Emma sometimes no, Emma Obi knew a name. Emma own yen you may be a extended soon and so on one I'll be now. So one are we you? So will be a tower with him with you. Emma will be mislead you. Emma will be nada. Emma won't conquer do baby. Me who so we ever trace our comments into the man make cancer assembly. So Emma will be new and new. Again, Banyas of good all. Emma will be new and new. Enko to an amobi. Emma be. Always a be on camera. Betimi asana chebia na bi anka waye no nka won da bi me penisa misremo abusuya misremo ye show ya ye wa hai sabi all the factions obia wa ha bi di wane me ya adwen di wane me nya adwen na ye wa ha we respect obia ye nka sentia obia ye di buo ni ade ena ye wa ye di buo ni ade ni di adwumadie ena yesa I mean, so much go more no explore with Joe. Onyina ye na ye wa ha. Ye na just say ye kabom edijumadi aso ndwe kwan so. Ye ntu wana mo ha ne amane bi ani achi. Enti mesre Everybody may say I know who is behind it. Mesre pa, mesre. Me akola keto afi na meba. Mesre. Aya na me pese me involve me ho in drama say me there be me pet sa. But I don't believe in say is be a chaos on kwan be mo nya trend there be. Just be yourself. Na nyame na pa obeboa no way you apia me wiase atonka. That is what I've always believed in. To me say nipa kra o yes ani man. Oh show me. I had the album show me because what me my sponsors number and there. What share you show it now your sponsors numbers. To wow, what skido nya sam get to skido dey also me. Many brain on. Skido dey also me. Skido ya di brand ba house skido. The background we yes ani man. Also me who comment bi or ma in the background ma blocking the background comment section. Till ma make me cast answer. Sre. Minimano yinti me ba na me fra me na me fra me just say you know minimano yinti sabio be kwa na me kra so me fra to magunti me nim prepare gro ni ma bi o ha me fa me hu rem da bi kra ma me so me ho sere di nya on brase kwan so me sere pa me sere pa because but anyway what my friends want to say agree anya asam keto I am simple I start again so but then I think say I could do the apex the crescendo the point say tina ma nanka da kran come in my life because na the last day of the month think I omega kran come in my life but I could do a point say my sponsors in both Obe from cancer my in India. I mean, it's in Yamia doing sponsors here, and as I'm paying for him, Miss O'Cabana, saying he said, no one said there because I want to find that. Said we talk about so flower flower, we knew what that. Cote d'Ivoire, what I so our job be crumbed on wine crew, mean, you want that. Oko a year so Namon, Burkina for what I saw, we knew what that. Now because you couldn't me on the Mawo Mammy, you know, and I'm a bow, and I'm I was young for Mamma, yes, menim kwa na sakromai nanso menchen koko bedi emi frantum agunti no kwabla mi ni prepare growate me dreaming ho kwabla wuswe ana me dreaming ho eni asempa moba me dreaming ho kwabla wuswe ana me dreaming ho eni asempa mobo amesa wo mi atu aminem kwabla mi ni bi mobo ten said ya na mi nusru daw mami nenya yanko be yes opeda matusre ni panye mi mobro ni tina mama yekum maya me wa chechedie me ni asro bo anko sro daw meka na obi abeka me free sasem to me ni okamafo kwabla me dreaming ho kwabla uswe ya na me dreaming ho eni asempa moba me dreaming ho ana me dreaming ho eni asempa mobo abusia nti me sonso me ho me dream ho somewhere also watch our again okay me sonso me ho but then some no out a day but ayedenia ekoba ni say ye betimi de ani okay o da me frɛ obibini and obibini kwanya the same course akwasi obibini kwanya the same course ya ono kwa chem so de mane ha me ni ade na after chire obibini kra so am ni interview me chire rastaman ni interview ono so na chire nipa kwa afa chire because de ma mu se nipa kwa ni hwɛ programs ni say on one of the numbers to Jan, Obi trading, and a few am a tony. And I also be in so many interview last time no born a number. After you control be need a can send me a little bit from that. Say no, I'm never made the air. Wow, you after you be expose you no. Now, what down ama Obi need crowd could do nothing. Massa, and every day no more here say any man go mo we nko ama Is that how you want it? Say every day things should go your way. And say be go my way. No be align with nyama one or two no chena dwon ho a. Na se no nto e tamfo ana. Once a mama busian for me sermon mo am yes and mo hwe nyama bi yo. Mo hwe nyama bi yo. Na ye dey near to ye near jan. Mo hwe nyama bi ye yakochama ni Kristo. Sermon abusian Omo obi asem nti omo obi di yaw ne awerɛhoɔ ka asem bi di fa ho a enkoboa ode yɛnhwɛ ɛbrɛ ne nkra bia na bɛkyerɛ mini hwe ka biem but deɛ ɛkɔ bia madiki aka ne bakɔ no maka sema ma 24 hours sɛ anya hwe ebi agorɔ na obedi yɛ ɛna aka ka asem no but empem hɔ a but nyame yɛ adom na minya report biem from my sponsors and I say me report free obia ho biem and I'm inbox crowd ba obiem a the educator create signal no ya create awareness na mpanyin for ya aware ya mpanyin for kwa mbonya nkene ya me ma go ahead no na ye moving on ya mama no kre start ya kra anya na ma disappear nti ma ye di ma ignore sa na ma no but the entire na make kan wasem ne say o mo ko okay sound number madaroma sound number abana that sound in the name of Jesus sound number na ebusian for mo ami hu e ami use natural sound na pastor after the ebusian okay after the you want my voice now okay nti asem am making so be kwa yisu me dia make kan wasem no me kwa se me dia adwuma yi sanity emu akwanhia ne oha ne ayi bebre but me sponsors akwa do that level say Mr. asem one nipa bi frɛ wo na me kan wasem wa hai akwa do level bi say obe frɛ me sponsors eso aka nsɛm bi sa de a kyerɛ wo nti na ma ni abri Mr. Boko watch na comment section obi trading and then the company line nipa kra frɛ ke kan nsɛm kyese ensɛm wa ni nyina so bia ne ade o na me ka se nipa no ti wo mi say dey a wo hwɛ me ni say ye dan ya wo hwɛ me when you say dey a wo hwɛ me out of respect ntina some me person be ka akasa wo but manen so ha ya wo sabio me ye dey a wo be your ba wo voice na your ba voice and sabi ba na wo me minya no me ma me puma pa anti me person me cancel sabi minya bi da me person me trends mo kra I mean with respect to asem wa I mean some be okay kai ama there be out of respect thing but enso wa we are see odo yonko ko dinam sabio assembly bana odo twa yonko dinam ani ma na say o yonko odo na fa me pesa na fe na ye best stress obi say and na post for there be me pesa e bia sa do botim dia ye odwuma nya osika papa bi nti mini aba ya we sa manem pem wa I don't be so good watch check our comment section no omo free obi trading company line say adaya the bakon abansi ni kunu ne me enti no adaya nipa na opeke for obi trading or friends nipa na oba na opeke call na company one opeke a adaya ni kunu ne me na lady na Jimmy me free ni nsem na one me ma mienu e wa London e na madwan ya free nkran ni nchen ya betena Ghana ase enti no omo gi me ma free ni nsem che se ebia se ma wa na mo kanche by Grace TV for mon sorry o na ye munti ene ye mi se chama mo TV we se by Grace TV for mon sorry o by Grace TV for mon sorry o na ye munti ena ababa wa no se wan no wo ye mi sa ha adwen
ɛha adwen paa ɛha adwen na manya asɛm ketewa ɛha adwen nti dwura bi a mehu deɛ menyɛ anyway aposifoɔ mpanyinfoɔ deɛ ɔmo yɛ kaado sɛ ne yɛ akora me kasa yɛn make move na ɔmo bɛ make move no but me na out of respect nti no my di so but o hwɛ nsɛm kae ne adeɛ na akua kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ me ya na sɛ medwin wa mehu deɛ menka o hwɛ me boss Mr. Poku Buakye ɛna mo bɛka sa ho me boss Mr. Poku Buakye ɛsɛ akɔ frɛ efi a yɛtɔn wɔ atwema yabe no the boss kwan so kwamna ne you're very careful na obi a otimi go to this mile say obeka nsem say dia fra ho na say obefrɛ wo sponsors kra agu anim ase ne kunu ne won ne wo mamienu ɛna obi di wa free nsem ne ade no you're very careful na eba say hatwe so enti nipa ko a wo yesa no ɛde ya mnim sɛ wohwɛ me nti na wonya me sponsors yi number wohwɛ me nti na wonya me sponsors number akɔ from da bia yes why you be here then ka say why you be atwa so baby a why akodu bia wada roma say ha adwen a ma ne mpem hɔ a baby a why akodu bia say ha adwen a ma ne mpem hɔ anya sa na wo yes wo ye ho be ma bebre akugya wo wada roma na say wo yes wo be koso aye sa ne ma na e bia de offer ne say agoro e bia de offer say o asem na aba na branch che na adwen wo be bia branch adwen che bia o kire no e bia and this study our person about the cancer and one can sound from Mantino or the baby of the distracting attention. Manim Pimwa, this is the third time. And yes, sir, I'll be left with no option. And if they have some numbers now, they free you. And I'm a boy, numbers now, they free. And me wa dancing be out. Isi sɛ mpanyinfoɔ bɛtrack wo yɛn wɔn nyɛ sɛ bi obi da bi ba yɛn gyina mmara ni owiase n'akora no aduru bi sɛ ntumi nsɔre prɛko pɛ ɛmɛ tete obi ntumi nsɔre prɛko pɛ ɛmɛ intimidate obi asa creative group de me number account de me boss obi trading number account I mean numbers me yɛn ho advert wɔ show yi so nyinaa wɔn afɔm numbers de wɔn aka group no kyɛ sɛ ɛna me boss sɛ asɛm a meka abusua me bo a ɛna obi trading at the to for comment section enti masa mo a mo yɛ sa no nyai me ni obi ani asɛm me ni obi ani watimi wakame ɛyɛ adwuma na yɛn nyinaa yɛyɛ ɛna sɛbi adwuma yɛ sɛ dɛ madwen yɛ me na me kyerɛ madwen wɔn nsɛm me ni obi ani problem da bi da empowerment enti wo a wo hyɛ aseɛ no sɛ obi na hyɛ aseɛ o sɛ me nim deɛ sɛ obi na hyɛ aseɛ o sɛ obi na I mean I just don't know empem hɔ a sɛ nipa no anso sɛ ababɔ ana so na yo me number there on my show be I'm so my number is easy to get because it's on my I mean you have me video say was here and I back and sometimes go to your comment can you send me your number let me get you something for airtime and I say na my number and my number there and no easy to get say mama feel say e bia fine nipa na anso hwe mama pick number no wa ha end of the year there we na nti ade nkwanti wo beto na mo bi kra sa no bibia mo hu say abrantie wonim no babia na akotwam to say ato ne so okay the boss Mr. Poku Buakye ono also UK landing to say lady ne so landing na wonim na ti landing na medwane abanti o makọ hwehwe me ile ne me ma no mo landing na mame obo sa na sabio e che obi obo ma de pa bi ato e bia na me hire bi kra na mkwa mu ba na obo ma de pa bi ato za na ide ha dwen ti misre ni aba ya yes me pe wase mate abapa me da opa wate e be ye jai ate na mwa ebe ye jai yen for don tna na yen kanse mu obi mu fe no emfa yen ko bebia fine me ka asem na me nya adua betimi address asem na maka Mary otnewa o Mary there be me sure there be Mary I me sure so obetimi abeka na even nipa no ko ka so London also me obi a me very observant obetimi aka asem bi obedwen se bia me dam madwen ma so na ba da ma ye din na metie o metie o pelopos na me dey expose and as me dey hu no kwere also obetimi shada ayisu aboni me so asre me sa aboni me srewa ya fa me number no ho Now reach out to me. Now the also now cut the system one letter B. Oh, and yeah, I am now fan of friend. Why? I am now fan of friend here. Team come. And now my videos now I post you on all shots. I was number not down. And yet live. Oko by Grace TV one. I'm come be alive for one. For videos one. Most of video I post to be any live. Be I know say my number and chance. Yeah, fan friend here. Team come. Why? Because me person me involve me home. Our drama, social media drama. Say no. Ejuma na here. But report to ya iko. Obi am a pet trending now. Be obi am a pet trending pa asem we nka me found the pet trending there but me mpɛ sa there be me pet drama ne bia the way na do it in your mother's way nyame na abɛhwɛ so no abo ama wo channel say nyame pɛ nko ade do achi so me srɛ mo munyai sa na nya sa de we ya obɛ na me de madwen me no me kyerɛ madwen there be me srɛ munyai sa and na untimi nya obia on your way untimi nya obia to align with the person wo ye won say the same way by madwen bia say madwen na me kire and me bia nsi me kwan say me kire madwen and till now I'm proud of I mean wherever I stood I me kire madwen wo bia this is no na obeka kan sem sa dia fa no dia na kente me krom ne wo ye enso na obeka kan sem sa dia fa no na weja so nti na skill yo kan menti ase o skill me yo kan menti ase nti no nipa ko onya isa onyai why na ebie na modin sa but then man win say onya bi sa ebe intimi debi untimi fa ebe intimidate wan debi so be ye nema bi na bi debi nti mind ye don't think na manya abutra my din because who here so be stressing nipa na ne ade be onye sa nigga you was cyber community on standby say if I call yet na in but me pese na there be buzuya abayama ne we unwo bi nya abayama ne a eya nipa no se be bia obi na obedia odwumadie ni ade na okoba. What do you bisa even on sister choice what do you sister choice any be a true by Grace TV so oshiame me ofa jobi nom ene chese empanyfo bebre wo ofro afa se ne ba ofro tufo ofro onu bedi nkomo kama ne ade asundwe ne obo kwan so nti mama ni ma bi o ha mama induru sa level na adwun enye well fit say ebe just am akoma kura na me ba ase ebedi no amina amana koye yikaka sire mama enye sa sire mo pa ni die ni abrase kwan so mama en koye sa ni pa na de ede ya wo hwe me na obi se omo ye the same thing too I will be a comment be sa na me bo also they are doing on a comment here and I'm probably I could say not only you, they are doing the same thing to one guy on TikTok, Nana JB. Oh, Samuel. Okay. Me person me pray ajeje, me pray mo ajeje say if you contest her and I contest her. But say me say you ye de ani hwa ade de aso tie nse. Di mo abo hyasem. Onye sa anyama we nyina na we asa beten na won say obi ayese ana obi ayese ntu ko yese yo. Da bi sremo papa. Anyway, nti mama yama entu ntwa na yi na ye ntimi nkonko ye. So it's very sad. It's very sad. It's very very sad. Ceremony dey na ambrase kwanso. Mama ye nyai sa. Why? This is look as a hard dream. Now, come be woman person make come once out of respect for women. Ntia. Is nipa no enyai. Emra ni be dipo papa. Nipa no enyai a emra ene ne bedi. Nipa no enyai a emra ene ne bedi. Ade e bon na me de ayo. Oh, say normal atendidie kra de say ne ye akọ media fo ye be gi agu ye ho sa anye problem. But the amani na mama ni abre ni say o be confirm responses no. I confirm responses akọ kan nsem a enim. Oh, I say o confirm responses na akọ say ma kire wo. Miss Minimo da. Kofre ask kofre so that sell much from say I say much from so me nya papa na me kwa no ade na omo se me nya ho adwuma and omo first was na asem osmo the bia na asem omo ka che no omo fro obi trade ni de omo se kwa perfume house omo say they ladies na omo wo ho no so omo tell ladies no one say one me wo matu the back so wo matu na me feel na de de enti no the back stay away from sabi o me na ni kunu ne me ni an chese sem bebre in sem bebre. Now you have a friend if you are tons wa. Now catch them so make coffee na mo se me ton no. Me have family me bo so I say me bo na ton mo frame me a me bo actually just what I was on by grace will be also one frame crama me ma bo a few price no. Me I have to know me didn't figure the price. O friend no ma pay mo number ma say ni o mo kasa. Just say it just say yes say a brand no. Yema omo ni omo etu na mo nyina hu se bi abranche no kra onye yem create picture no and as you see a create picture kra dia say na yem twam trom so why is it because say with this issue at some point I felt said no mama akosia brimpoma deserve better ntia na this is because I felt say no it will be me hu say there is a sabotage bi and I say and here be because it doesn't really sit well. Now, the system has been told against Mama Akosia Sewa. Yet, to bet Shama Casetia on Indiana. And yet, they are himself why be frama. You cannot tell me otherwise. But for about bare 3 months, Nina, no quaning comma ye. I mean, no comma across what Ghana say. And it'll be on my chema dream. You be touch Madame Muse a Chiani Tia Fabia, but Chema dream. It may be a sound come be a make Chema dream and dentino. Ena say wa na ba be say na say woman nipa bia be kutu pase be kan se gudu so a o kan bible say eni akwa ho sekuru nche nwura na wa me pese me kan de kan but eni we trust eni akwa ho sekuru nche nwura awa nya wa de me de me ni hwe me ni bibia ya me tina me ka se me nua jai na de nipa gu no and no one will try. The nipa gun and no one will try. At the media lady net deal with me box near the cancer. Mr. Adams was said the insulting word she used when she called was very Mr. McCray. But that's what I made take him from my phone. The different numbers at the medium qua. Different numbers at the medium qua. A day. I asked them all. Many mukwana sa krume na so menchi nkoko media me fra to magunti no kwabna mi ni prepare gro amesa wo mi atwa nem kwabna mi ni hwe mobo tenten sa de ania aya na mi nu sudaw mami de nya ya nko be yeso opeda matisre depeni e mi mobro winti tina da maye komi ma ya me ho acheche de when you are so bon consul down, Mecano be a beck come if it's a son to me a mini or come off for the dreamy wo. Quabna was way and I may dreamy wo. Any asempa, moba may dreamy wo. Me dreamy wo. Yana may dreamy wo. Any asempa, moba may dreamy wo. Me dreamy wo. Yana may dreamy wo. Eni asempa mobo mini manu yenti me serebusu ya me sunso me ho me nua ba wo yesa de waye me nyina echi se mo waka fa mo ne ade tie wadi me na echi me do wate me nim se ebia na nyesa na wo pe no ebia na nipa bi na ahye kutupa mo abaye de wo ya na was na ahye wo kutupa ama abaye de wo nya hwe enyina ya fom ye yemfom so da obi na wo perfect nim se wo hwe me because when you have response number say that means you share me. When you have the wire could be a wate. The wire could be a catcher. Say one hour yes over yes I na yeah was why you be a brantiano or so on person mean ya now could do a BNZ do. There's necessarily been a small war. Catch on so the wire could do now ya brantiano and nibble yaba into and yet no what's not what. Na walk when now will be a quack in the near the bay. So papa. And then watch it. So other woman. Now I'm not in for drama. Say me you be a pe social media drama. Can someone baba na di matem ni adi na then come akọ channel kase bi te so say mo men kasana but it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Nti onya isa ade na baba wa ja isa ade no. Afi what na me boss Mr. Poku bo ahye kan abuja asa na me kan say me bo a me boss afi o kan nsem na bi o say o instruct o mo say o mo delete me advert me ma obi trading no. Obi trading order me say ma me nye na advert ko man bi. The same way fie nso a me ton nso. Me better me cancel me break. After frɛ according to fie no me papa kwa me bon the roman ne mami. Also offer we say na me charge ne say ansa na me be advert na man. E na papa no say o. And the question branch one charge me hwe o so onye me hwe na obon the roman me nya me nya tofo. Ti afi na ne ababo an nsem aka na ni. Masa aya kan de ma ye wate abapa men say me na me sabi o di na me no play. Again na meti ade akwa meti me no apre. The abusia na me sabi o me ne wan akwa keto afi na sabi o me nye obi a sabi ni obi be pre bibi. Me nye obi a say Debbie enti me ni obi ho adwen o metire mu Debbie me ni obi ho adwen o metire mu me ni sa abro no mpo na makodwen obi ho Debbie na ye de na wi ase ye de coin fa say oni obi betwe na atwetan na Debbie enti se ni pakọ no ene bia I'm sorry wrong person na onya so wrong person na onya maybe na opo bia obetimi na social media drama na akwaba na ye digital media nso am maybe I'm not that type to be strong. Try the next person now try bia me de me nka ho hwe me ye di no ma gyan na manyame but you bia na be coding sen we be gu no so a obe di ahwe wo ya no hwe ni yesa me de bia me ntu na mo bia me ye di na nyaye a makobo mama post fire we ni etu na mo enti no me strong ebia next person na bakoye sa na ma we won so no ebia na maninya e na na ebenya ebia na o haw ne amane e na na ebenya enti me strong pa strong just say ya buzuya de ton the message what jina kwanya we no ma pa me sponsors a chill Mr. Poku watch obi boss abuja for ya wunya wo ma pa me sponsor obi trade a chill sanse e de a ni bakwa na me channel yisu na ma wakeka nsem mi na lecture obi trade ti me pa obi trade a chill pa na ma pa if you are to watch my benso my pa mi na a chill and me nim se ma my friend madam na bisa no to grace ono so ma friend bisa no ma pa me sponsors ni na mo ya fro bi afre mo akeka sanse ma na say obi bi ni so me power chill pa be me na ma pa mi na a chill say me akra me dwen wa mentiasi. I don't know where this is coming from. But another man Pumasi, almost obisu say, almost the same thing, almost the same thing I'm actually na JB on TikTok as a BBC. Na man Pumeka. Nessa nyamenkwa. Nyamenkwa. Entino, yebe hundi ebe. Just say, I just don't get it. And so that and you pay attention to certain things. But that's sorry, not insults. Insult or inbox, baby or one. And I mean, and yes, I need debut with every. And yet insult now they be tell me. So say somebody out there. Said the market here. So how then do you get into my inbox now be insult? Now insulting me now sana there. There be mean tell you. Ube creative group the number can't be dim at them sana there. Me once on crowd make you. Enti wabawa jaiwati na sebio me say that me knew what there but we are very sure say that I'm a responsible man. Enti me nkoye be ma that me sorry dwane agya me yere me ma ho. Na ho na benya ena Ghana it ho na benya say o te London. And I said, me know what to na me dwane free wo ne nkwa na wa ba na me just say ensemuza ade oh edu bi a ya nipa na ma nipa ye nipa bi ensem fata wo nipa na ma nipa bi to na mo bi a okay Matthias eboni me nipa na ma nipa ye nipa bi a ensem fata wo nipa na ma nipa bi to na mo bi a bo ze chire na akoye bibi ho no oni mo bi da I'll share Mr. Minimum said share because the moment to me have sponsors numbers na there let's will be or share me pan the Benjamin sponsors numbers or that means what share me see no fast sponsors numbers not from nti my dear jai san ye man away no nim say wo share me jai san ye man away no na wonni mi oba bia da serew obi na soma wa fantika koma no obi na ball pa serew scan dey bia wadi bia ka bi father dey koma no back so dey wadi na aye onni biem onyi ni sika because sabi nipa edin say in seconds baby e be sewa kodru no untimi san hu kodru won and imagine class ni nyame adom e na me boss me mpanyefo yi aba e frɛ omo e kan se mo chi ono mai za kwabana se na nipa kan nipa kwa na komo sisu mame e no mo fa ntra se kwabana kra se yese wonye wonu wo yele na ti wo London wo mame na obo yele na odwane frɛ yele wa betina Ghana ha na wa fa ne sa na bi obefa tim kakra on ni nyame adom na me boss ja omo ti asem ze da bi nipa no wonye correct ni ade a na e kan se so ti mesre e bia me boss no mo ti asem na se kina bi na okokama asem ko ba ko ne ko se ma kire obi nipa no so be de e bia no wanya access reach me mpo no tie mu ahomo no pre ti mesre ababawa aye bia ye nka se wa ye bia to aso na anya wo nko na we betimi di asem afa so so I mean so light in to aso so because must things always be your way. Must things always be your way, sir. Enti obi align with wasem a wo ka ene nipa no yengu na nimu ase. Obi align with asem a wo ka ene nipa chinchina yempe baabi na yemfa ne hye. I mean, yen twan tronto ne so. There be yenya de sa. But yeah, makan sa na odi nyai sabu nsimu na awoye no na mpo ba pintina nyai sabu nsimu na awodi no na omo masoma no ka chewo so omo ankoko omo ko omo amya no maye de ompese omo ye omo amum na enkohye ami na nkika nsem na bibi tua o kapapa pa wa awoye baba wa awoye sa abia ni mai di na mehwe anyame ti ase pa ole man fan pem obusia enti me ye sure pan say nyame nko ana me encounter sa na ma say na na makra be kan say e be no so complain say omo enya the same thing and we busa say identify na aba be yesa me identify na aba be yesa na and za aba kika sanse no me inbox over services my old day dia na me na wo pre bone be na me dia yo I mean, you for a book picture and going through. Over, we didn't come back. Maybe think one time say I think we today. I mean, you for a book picture and free for the meantime. The dear na mene will pray. A dear pan na mene will pray. Baba akro. Undi mi wa hemfa. Ye nti be cancel me. Abusuya, mo ma yenye ni ba hu mi no. Ade nipa gu no anu twa. Yo. That's and sebia na o adwene sense same way about be kan and na ebe ma ebia amanim to coil me a and na mo be coil me there my dear often kwan big time say dey me ma dwen ye me no untimi nche me say ma me nche ma dwen o na say ma me kan say dey me ma dwen ye me o Now with this issue, yeah, me and my call baby, I'm a penny be things as I was our boy, was our boy. I'm crying as some cry and cancel the person can some money and can say, I want to reach him say, main candy open mouth. There be. To my dear, think twice. The judge is an man away. Because I'm telling you that this issue, you know, there will be a channel dream beyond. And so anyone will feel it within him, the conscience and will see feeling when he move. And I'm on a channel dream, sir. Nti me say me share my dreams na me share my dream bia. Eh how I mean deep inside me, there me feeling within me na me share my dream. Obia no wa obetimi akasa o ma me one person one city say menje na me kasa emfama. There be nye bisa da nyama no mpare me. Me akwada me nim bebe nyame dim bedu daachi. Mama obi teku na ne sempo bi abedi mani. It's not about money. It's not about the masses. It's not about say there be I mean we not there be said ya me madwen yam say me mo feeling America say no na me share madwen na me nya adwen ti na obetwa nto ya to so a koso an koso I mean my customer ma 24 hours ncc me person me receive any I mean useless message be a Mr. company from Adaroma me person me receive message be on court message be a say a hard dream bia wo me inbox and answer me sponsor be friend say kwabana and am no be program over friend say oh obia send message be say analysis e my gather evidence thing na ho no bia na ya answer me makwan a mpanyfo be track we bia wo bia bra mu nya ne bone so na mra na wadi ala na we refi go answer numbers now that you bia say aye oh intimisre asundue kwan so nem pese me se bi di menu be before how near man ti me srew de why na man mpem wa de why no man mpem wa anya sa dia me no enche ne yekura mari we call anya police sem na de chen say ababa wa bi na afa me number and me sure say the pan follow me pa because my picture be a we use no ko use or me picture na on TikTok. And our friend responds say, "Only me na me ye papa any ade na me kwale ba kwale of friend no obibini ya me na interview na response obi trading of friend obi trading workers no catch am say ni kunu ni me ya wa na me o mami enu o landing and na me dwane afri me man nchen and na de na mabo no nti me dwane afri landing na mo tina Ghana ha che say ne man nsem wo enim nti mo na me nye advertisement kwa bi I'm going to advertisement at M1 here. And I'll be training crab comment. You'll be training will show you so. To me, boy, I'll be casting me. I'll comment say, if you want to cross it, will be training nyai advert away work by Grace TV so. And yeah, no kwa. Or more may bore one the to fear me ton, a fear your bone the right ton so. I'm not from Nippon, letting the from what can send be. If I'm some at all, I go free. If you know your ton, your bone there is go from the can send be. Say, me crown if you know. Me amede me price and amede nam obia de wo by Grace TV so wa frɛ me busa efie no ho ya me ma bɔbɔ krada o ya na me de wo number ma say frɛ ni o mo nkasa adwo bi wa say obedi ma dance adwo bi say wo ho the man in crony a wo ba wa adwo bi frɛ me me say kwabena o comment say kwabena fie ni say me adwo a mo bɔ mo number ne ma na me akasa kwa me nim tu fra na o makasa debi o ade anya me de ade me ntimi nya sa ade ma no ono akɔ frɛ mban free na kan afi de wo kan sam kwa di o matter. Oh, and exactly. Now if you work at it's likely for me. Oh, I feel okay, can't send me that chair upon our tongue. Or if you know, I don't know, Buza fear no, everyone say, send I'm a charge no and sign I may buy if you know advert. Now, once you say, oh, Nina, man, did a couple. Miss Oh, dear, your mom, the road now, come as well as on the tongue fields, almost 2 feet, or more per se, or maybe mammy, and they almost say, but mean to mean charge on some say because this year you need up a tongue fee. The Rapana can't say man charging a couple of a Nipana bottle, like oh, who baby on finding come around for me. Oh, and see, no way, nice animal, no nice animal. Okay. Marriage does Yansam Kitor, and Yansam Kitor, and Yansam Kitor cry. And I make an arm for my say, when I GP is over complaining the same thing with TikTok. I didn't know was a basa. I didn't know was a basa. I draw me that say, I draw me that say. I didn't know was a basa. To me, let me I asked more. And I was like, Juma, we are a Denia or number will be out there. because ọmụ yes ọmụ sponsor your show ni ade a ye ni ọmụ kọ ban ade and obi kọ pese o de news bi ma wa obefa o number o say yes stories be o bi o ti fa number no afem so story we kwa no me wo mo ade no achechi ma chero na aboa enti ejuma we ni numbers there it's surely going to be out there ni nya nye den ena obi a o ye ejuma we bia no o friend na reach out to him a obeje o first because onimu nkomo a o de ba ben nso ma kwan say ye nsay nipa sere right mo me ma to ntwa na bibia anya boko mo me ma to ntwa na bibia anya asumje because if you see you fan ko bibia ye beda na eja yes nti ma me enkomo anan kasa mpesi edi ne so kakra bi na ye ni abai wa bese ni mama and you my bibia adwo ha beda se pa everyone's mate I will not lose it cry why but I will not lose it now debia ye go so di mu nkomo ye go so bi sansem se ebede na nsensem we to atwa ebede na menteme ho ase ne ensem ho do be ba ekoso na ebede na to atwa na etimi akwa en ma hwe what is ahead of us on say bebre na no nsem a ebi di temi mpanyimfo bi da o ntimi mmeka sanse o eye obi fi asem enti Mati Johnny agree mama mpacho mati eye obi fi asem ti obi fi asem ya na matenase ena me say eye obi fi asem a akonya ma report am ya say she is very okay. Yeah, she's very okay. I mean, she's a few. I mean, where my Ghana. That's report. I'm genuinely say she's very okay. Mama comfort. Mama me that's Mama me that's from Germany, Hamburg. Yami sure, Mama. Mama the amount for him no na. Me say Yami na tia se obekasa. Ama BBI. Oh. Na na mama for say oh. E obi fi asem entimu nya botere obi fi asem entimu mo ha mo ho ne ade. Yes, e obi fi asem. But only BB. Let's not forget. Papa na Yami de be die Ghana man. Na nyom tu obeto ye na bi obebo ye no wa meto nyom a onfa ma no fie nko a obeto nyom de ma oman Ghana nyina e ma ye man Ghana enya ne so mfa so ene ba bi ansem na kwa ba bedri se bibia betimi eto atwa yi se obi anya pepepe ya orehwe tine de ma de se beto nyom akuo na se mpanyufo be se nan na enum bi nsem oboye man Ghana ha ye wo institutions a omo na hwe se bibia be boko empo ye beto aba on se refer be peace pact ya abato okura du ha ya na MPP ni NDC tension timi ba na se betimi asimple ye wo omo na aka bo masundue kwan so na omo hwe se ye to aba no mpo na obonye so a obagi atum anasa obonye so a onkotitu anasa kan na wodi asane be court na court action so ntine but this year nyina because 9 months ni ya bre nsem no say e oba ofa fro kranko because July from July and August September October November December January February March April 9 months etwem ti asem no e brother number we ye no mpo say na ya asem a efa fro ka April ye mu awo ya nka yura nyame adoma next month ochna yura memu a anka se bi afrifa bi ani wonu bi ka bibia to atwa but I was something say bibia nche se na na section ansem to betwa ti na me be sre ye ma mu mpanifo institutions be 9 bi se ombrem na omeboa mo gidi se mpanifo nyina be mo bibia be ya asomdwe because as it stands now ye wabusuafo ni bia omudi ya ye wabusuafo ni bia omoda so di areho na omunya nti asem ase and meti ni no kwanya menim se yentimi nka se omo wo ya ode ebu omu ni be pushi nyina na the carpet na ye move on sa there be enunti na emu aso yentimi man enti na ade achi ade esa nsem ahodo na ebem no ti de di kan and I'm sure Yaman Ghana Peace Council and okre e obi fi asem but looking at the level that be able upon the nyum to koju ye no na ye ka Ghana asem anyum to mu a ye bo best nipa me say dia ye ntimi nyi di influence and me de ma this here to upon Peace Council ni ti upon Madam Roma da bia nsem we akoju be ya nka mo brem nese mo bem se mo betai fa bi echi da bi na mo bem se the owa yaw bia, the owa rewo bia. Mo be hwe dia to yie na ma obi akoma to ne yem. Na ma asum bia because ma me akoso abempoma. You cannot tell me say oni yaw up to now we di yaw. I heard a video be last week. Atie ni interview be last week. Yeah, ni na mo na say mo a work nyina na say on de nka wo nya akwanya mpo na wo hu say ha e na me nua be man eda na mpo china bi o de twire flowers akwakoto nua be man na so me nua be man e bia uye nyame de yi ye ntimi ni wa ni nkra yi enti no ye de twire ba be to na so ye ni wa di nka na koma be to ne. I just say, wow, okay. And not Jebisu go through the same thing. Okay, yes, Matthias, Mr. Obubuache, Obi Trading, any sponsors, we are wanting to say, let's say, but Bako when Yaya, or Shami, when you saw Shami, when Yaya, medium near 2 year giant shade, but they are born penny for money. And me, I'm still being per se, me did mean before how near money because of it, some cacre. Miss Sonny Bacolan so when idea all year no, and it didn't out by once. Only more baby ada. Now be cancer magumi movie. Only more baby ada. Now concern. Assemble cranny. By grace you for one sorry. I grace you for one sorry. By grace you for one sorry. Na ye munti. Ena nipana yes. And whether just say me person message is ability ni na me person making kind atembidie mu atembidie ana kwa de nkan ha me but be bia could to me sponsors na ha me until nipa no nya ni na ntan man mu aspew ni di na ba se kwa so nti we sure pass me come no so design say me we bi o ba bi o ma nka me proud come here proud kwa da bia na one for the twame nka me proud so some you Mr. Meka me married man and me work and ma. Come here ma ho ampo. Say me responsible man. Me nim with that be cancer say dey go mfi. Example, we are bomba de pebia to. It was love. Example chanko. Nyame ampata ma de pebi o gba to. E dey abese ma de pebi. Inti atu ntwa. I mean, saying in a church, moi, ye, Sabio, minty, minia dance free, Fahan as a free far, but certainly any shame near so TV. And we cannot assume, say, with the M say, saying it. So, which shouldn't be the case. Indeed, Baconia, Unyani and Conquain, why? Now, life is too short. Say, obey, have I mean, who do you want some mission team now, by any of my heart in the tear when you're there? I'm a free spirited person. I'm a free spirited person. I'm stress. And now, I'm of how near money. So, yes, into Nyame tiase. Inshallah, Nyame na be. So, yes, and as I'm making. Obviously, but we are more fun. Chemos and there. I know all my dream. Just a make you want me tiase. I need a bonnet on my own. Team in the pretty. You want about Kwame Yentia. Now, 17 Quadia. Oh, dear, my sister. I can't go come say. That's what Baba Wake who say. Niponya mi ashrani dear. Niponya mi ashrano. I'll fool bien to me say no. Oh. It's me say do Kabana was swear. Yamene me high. Me say do. Mamma say me back kwabne. Oh. Timu fitananti o kwabna usue. Oh. Said you ni pegu bia ni wiasimo. Kwabne. And once one ocho me back kwabne. Enti me ni opredien. Oni ame ni opredien tia. Odi mi na mafie sa. Na wo se me din ko ade. Odi di masesa. Eka wo ko akama sai. Ababa we ka hu se. Nipo nyame ahra ne de. Niponya miashano, afubia to me side no, oh. Enti, mensaido, kwapna usui. Mensaido. Yensa. Ti obi trading domina ya he say ye. Kowu, Is obi do bia na ye obi ahi kwa. Show him. Usu krana mi yo. Oh. I said, "Yo be ye bia." Adofo na hwe ye. Oh. Eti me ni upredie. Ababawa, me ni upredie enti Odi me na ma fie sa. Na wo se bidin ko ade. O ni ma se sa. Asmo ni e ka hu se. Okra nyame ahra ne de. Nipo nyame ahra no. Afo bi antu mi say no. I mean, a very cheerful person. Dear me, yes, I said, "Ubi a person or yenny will be sad from." Also, some I did bring some more, but make a cry because on a normal day, I'm a very cheerful person. Mempe how near my dear. It's meaning about many salati. Now, there be me, more chance there be pesa, Mr. What's it? Yamina home or now found from some Chelsea or castle in the afternoon. A day. Na me de mo gidie pa se busuafo se bia genkwa Yesu Kristo mpo ba wiase a em se bia na wo se me address nkomo we ya na yakona brepe me asa bedi nkomo wo se me address nsensen we ne na nkomo na wo se yidi na china ya ba bedi afo ya ba bedi nyame adom se bia genkwa Yesu Kristo mpo ba wiase a wa anye mpo ne tan enipa go ne ho fi enipa ka ne ho nsem esen no na taade a na hye ne twe so ntonto mo gidie se komshani Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam no nyina nipa ka mo ho nsem se bi oba ya kan memu amamre mu a obi konfa no che ya odi abode a no twa ne da no a another na lumba kan o nyu ntu obrempon be na wo fiti ya memu a well good na ni mu ase se bi medie mi nro mo ya kwada afi na meba ti anya mi wan bebre anoche kro dia body o twa ne da no a awon ade be na wanya odisi kedwama yo asanteman esu ye no kwaje we ya droba akoye na se wa ma bie mu a gana man ye nya bi kan yo medie menim se me ni mara din tem ye fine wa wo pese ogu mani mu ase nyina adam fuwe shedding na jinya me kwa Timetovu mawani mrimyo Gana futra mambo Nyami ampriswa ubo Shade Ajinya minkwa Mama mi saponi samunai Na minyari mi hofi wabedwe mwa Ewa mansaya ni mwa Semini obi awuwa lande ya Ena majane wabeta gana Na mezi brano so me papa ya me ya manfo nyina ani gwase na meji ye ewa mansa ya ni ma so ye me pa ya me ba ni se na nya me tu matamfo na mo kwabne ye chenche wona finti obi a be hu bibia boko yani de okay ti abusia no ni ba ko yes an unya bibia to ntwa na just say what say the person can't be a female. Please go to James' page and listen to him. Some people are listening, so they are trying to shop your time and energy. Okay, I don't care. Because I had too much. And some people they are church or my inbox. From Monday, but don't say no, it doesn't matter. But the man I drew a beard American one thing now, I say, I'm gonna go the extra mile, I'm gonna offer from my sponsors now. And how many are brand to American one thing. So, are they? And then I was a bassa. At day, one in brain of my Baba, Jai Sawati. So ya Baba, so ya Bemo, Jai Sawat name wow. Jai Sa name wow. You can't always have people on your side. They'll be any sir. Frankly, I say, nothing. No great. You can't. Okay, Martin. Until mommy can't watch him beyond. Hey, serious charity. Hey, very serious. Martin, I'm for some young some come and wasting my time on. Ever I started by some time now, but Freeman Daily Band a year to the peak. But me no, me you be I am a very private person. And you be an person. I mean, I think it's a very money do be a wow, what's a one no what do now moving on. So now come in can once. But and now I could see we be na and the same course on here. My share se menyo bi ni anka makonti na baso na me wa ma share busia ma me share se menyo akoso obi ni a akoso obi ni rasta man am tan ni interview just say a hardwin o de bia bibi nti no ma me se but so oba so a me connect na wa acheche mo de achira man sai a dia ya nti e dia na me se bi o me dina e dia na metimi ni obi apre metimi no ya nti wo ba yes ane ma Munya isa ne ma Mr. Mo. Na asem ba se obi adwene no kira emra bi ansi wo kwan. Enti se nipa no kira na adwene na anko ne se dia wo pa. Eno nso nkire se nipa no meye wo townfo. No so nkire se nipa no. Okay, yes. Okay, senior. Okay, I'm so any we free. Me life says ya na mpese me life na asem wa na aba no. And I'm my bad address. Now, I'm say, and young men qua, Nana Jebin so on TikTok. Or also the same thing that people be the it's not me percent car. On say, oh, come be a car. Somebody and also more from the car. 70 at the chair. Yeah, it's my marriage with my connect microphone. No, I'm there. Me name the hard pink a car. I was young. Me name what will be voice now. I was young. What say, Madaroma? What will be voice now? Okay, maybe sir. Me bisa hwe for say omotia okay me ba and we say meet me up connect say okay abusia me ba okay abusia omotia obi ni voice no yeah my family other than man for say yeah na carry big akra me number for okay all right abusia is the voice okay and I still na hard drink akra because can be some connect obi ni na on also share kakra ya ni pa friend and some okay and enye okay oh. Oh, really? I see. That was wrong with it. But who is him for me? Okay. Any problem? My mention that you who dia be now there. Okay, no problem. After show the because I think it's a network line no. I don't know what's wrong right now. I have some more. I am very, very sad. I am very, very sad. But yet they are a very free baby na ever. Yet they are nipa na years adian. Nipa na year either say nipa no one if na kuma mu years adian. And I say obi na action kutu pass 1 years adian. Whichever way is it here. It will be in the interest of nipa na say obejai na yakwa akwa. Yes. Obejai na yakwa akwa. Na bibia ya asumchi. Nti no so most them kakra. Charity me dwen wa menti ase and minim enti na me go so am church ensem. Yeah, I can see that. On say obi o dwen say o kan sem bi sa na o ye na obi sa de fa ho a say e be break you. Oba dwen ho na afa untimi ko anya video na bi sa. Abusia abi o the fact say bia we are down na dey nche say no when it comes to the spirit of perseverance grace of God, nyame na ba share dia ma ya poma famu. Tini pa we sa jai sansen hu no. Awoni mi obabia. Misumi ni mi obabia. Madaroma, nipa we sa no nyai. Nipa we sa no nyai. Onyai na yan konkoye ni. So, intimi masa say chinchina, I mean someone should align with said the wadwe yo forever, baby. Obia wona dwen say o sitin samase and obia be che na dwen exactly obi na YouTube obi ba obi na ama na ho kwan out na yesa na no dia na be nya film enkosi da be to obi be yisu wa nipa no obi yisu wa ma wa yesa na ma enkosi da be na me ka say ebia me de me ni atu ni agyan ebia me de anya fe na me be ye bibia no asa bia ma kwan so na my report the necessary authorities. But if you have to go so saa nipa no deɛ bia na wɔni abotrɛ wode bɛkɔ obi so saa nipa no deɛ bia na wɔmfa adeɛ nkyɛ ɛkyerɛ nkɔ bia wokɔnya amaneɛ bi wɔ baabi nti bia wayɛ amane nso yɛ awate ha deɛ nyame adom wode fa baabi a ɛnkɔsi hwee ɔse gyae asomdwie kwa sɛ na biribiara to atwa na wate ase na wagyae na biribiara to atwa ɛkyerɛ bi wɔkɔfa baabi ɛn sɛ wode fa na ɔhaw ne amaneɛ ɛba wɔ so na ɛkɔ akɔ ha hwee nti that is it Evanslav mate abetre asɛm hɔ na nkɔmmɔ abusua mepɛ sɛ yɛdi ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛnhwɛ biribi wɔ ase up till now amanfoɔ busa nsɛm amanfoɔ kyerɛ wadwen nsɛm kura da bɛn na to betwa nsɛm kura awɔ hɔ akyɛ da bia yɛabrɛ ɛna adeɛ na yɛma yɛpanyini ɛdin na ne adeɛ but yɛka nsɛm wɔ nyinaa wie a ɛyɛ ana either deliberately or not deliberately no you ignore the root cause of baby ababadu sabre ɛbɛɛ dɛn na nsɛm wɔ etu atwa me wɔ gyidie yie paa sɛ nnɛ ɛkɔba sɛ maame akɔsua mpɔma akoma tɔ ne yam tie ne yie me wɔ gyidie yie paa sɛ ɛkɔba sɛ nnɛ maame akɔsua mpɔma akoma tɔ ne yam ɛkɔba sɛ nnɛ ɔfa yɛ apoku akoma tɔ ne yam ɛkɔba sɛ nnɛ sɛbi maame akɔsua asɛwa na akoma tɔ ne yam a ɛsɛnsɛm wɔ nyinaa to betwa bibia to betwa ama asomdwe aba bibia to betwa ama asomdwe aba because yɛpo fact ne sɛ some members of the family feel say wɔn are aggrieved they are disturbed because as a kwan bi a nipa bi fa astoto nneɛma bi no wɔn consider wɔn yi wɔn si nkyɛn na wɔn yɛ nneɛma ɛno tina wɔn di ya wɔn tini suo ama aba bɛdu baabi a ne da yɛ tu ɛna yɛ no korɛ maame akɔsua bɛbɔ my time with that number akyerɛ ne nsɛm over and over tie ne abusua baabi a ɔgyina bi ato nkyɛn sɛ yɛsɛ yɛpɛ kwan a nsɛm otu ɛso betwa time with that number akyerɛ nsɛm mu asɛ ne nua bɛrima ɛyɛ nyame de abɛduru Ghana na ne kuro tua amansɛn wɔamfa ho baabi a ne nua bɛrima no mu mpo da ebesi nnɛ wɔamfa ho baabi a ne nua bɛrima no mu mpo da ne kata ɔde ba abɔnte wobɛka February wɔ baabi a bɛkenkan ama mpo ɔkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔkɔɔ baabi a yɛ ne nua bɛrima mu ne da sɛ ɔkɔhwɛ ne nua bɛrima ni akyi no and of course ɛtiti wɔ abusua sɛbi menim sɛ akɔntofoɔ na hwɛ paa yɛ papa no ne yɛ maame no wɔ akɔnto mi ɔno da sum no aso sɛ mo nipa bi ɛtɔ na moba Ghana ebi a moba ebi a saa bɛrɛ nipa ntɔ na mo ni Ghana ase the first thing sɛ wɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔhwɛ nipa no baabi a ɔda sɛ ɛwɔ mmɔkyerɛ anaasɛ baabi a ɔda wɔ baabi a ɛkura mu sɛ ɔda yi anaa maame yi krata de ba yɛ ɔsɛ ɔkɔɔ hɔ sɛ ɔkɔhwɛ ne nua bɛrima ni akyi no yɛn nyinaa yɛ TV so ɔkɔdu hɔ report ɛbɛtɔ yan sɛ mpanyinfoɔ a wɔsɛ dɛbi ɔdeɛ yɛsɛ ɔba a meyɛ mma ɔkwan ma amehwɛ wo nua bɛrima yɛsɛ ɔdeɛ ɔba a meyɛ mma ɔkwan yɛaka to hɔ sɛ meyɛ mma ɔkwan ma amehwɛ wo nua bɛrima ni akyi this is something that happened ɛma bɛsi nnɛ wɔanya akwanya anhwɛ ne nua bɛrima ni akyi ɛyɛ dan yɛ a sɛ yɛbɛka no kora kyerɛ yɛn ho a maame no is in pain maame no is in pain ɛnyɛ pain ketewa ɛbɛsi nnɛ maame no wɔ yaw mu maame no wɔ awerɛhoɔ mu maame no tini suo ɔdi yaw paa tidiɛ na yɛbɛtumi ayɛ deɛ yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ne sɛ ɔno maame no a wɔdi yaw mpanyinfoɔ bɛtumi aba mu na wɔmatie ne yaw die no ahyɛseɛ deɛ ɛdi ɔhaw ne amaneɛ biara ba deɛ nti ama no tini suo ɔdi yaw na mpanyinfoɔ adrɛse ne haw no ama no ama na kɔma atɔ nneɛm na ama asomdwe aba enti I mean, we all wake up here, kasa about say, oh, and some way we are too generous when you're running there, but no, couldn't you be me? And some way just like that, it won't deny just like that. Emma Bibia and your boko. I just said, one, someone like Mamia Koshabe. Ne how be a when never who be a would be a teeny and come as well. Because I mean, say was your grand, I don't want to be a moi. I am very sure, say, Anka. On 10-year messages like that, sir. This is a fact. It's not makes them free. And also, Mami Akosua Sewa. See po. If we be honest with ourselves, sir. Eye denia yakoye ni pen. Mami Akosua Sewa be we ya de kakra with with respect to how e bia obe feel say you treating no. How o feel say bia nneɛma bi kɔɔ so a ebi anka betumi akɔ so yie to the point kora sɛ bakɔduru level bi sɛ mpo sɛ bio mpanyinfoɔ wakɔtena UTV akɔka sɛ na sɛ mpanyinfoɔ wakɔtena TV so akɔka sɛ na wadeɛ nkrataa mpo no ɛyɛ fake tie ni o nneɛma no nsi bɔ na wadaroma to the point sɛ nipa bi akɔtena TV so sɛ na wadeɛ nkrataa mpo no ɛyɛ fake na ɛnyɛ papa ɛyɛ ntuhyɛ mu na ɛyɛ bi okuro from Bantama Ashtown ne mmeammea ahodoɔ and you think sɛ obi a yɛka asɛm sɛ yɛafa ne ho emogya ne mu mogya wɔ ne mu nti obɛdi yaw ɔbɛte ne so na ɛma yɛhu I mean nneɛma bi a sɛ yɛse yɛ peace ampa deɛ a nneɛma bi a mpanyinfoɔ boa no mutumi adresse a ɛbɛboa na peace no a yɛrehwɛ a yɛbɔ din no ɛbɛtumi aba anidie ne ahobrɛaseɛ kwan so anim yɛ a na nkɔfo haw ne amanneɛ bi ama yɛmpo the woman is pained. The woman may not feedback based on person very far her. Oh, obviously, I think say maybe the feedback be very bad. Oh, the woman is pained. Now, since she's pained in it, the only way able to me about this issue now, I address it and I say, sans and some when you know how be a woman and pay for betting on why. I am one of them. Vous avez mis feedback bi na ma me address kakra. Obviously, mo fan chama na me feedback bi a have. So, and you know, this is one of the issues I can answer. And I have fact. Ti mesre saa da no asɛm wei of course wana asɛm wei ɔde to dwan dania ye nipa yi sɛ wo kra ka bɛdi yaw sɛ wobɛtena TV so anasɛ bia wo fi la bɛte sɛ a wo kra wa de nkrata no asɛm se na ye ka de fa ho. And whether we like it or not, she is pained. And the what needs to be addressed. So if we are all seeking for peace, if we are all praying for peace, asumjebaba na bibia to atwa. And nipa me anyway, what's you looking at omo angle, na ye tie omo how. But I think say up till now, obi an sheda nya akwanya na so obi an sheda mo bre entie omo asem. Obi an sheda enya bre entie how a enti ama nsem we abedru ba adri. That is where we are getting it all wrong. Intiama time without number. Yeah, that's why we be na ase ese kosra ese kofomo ana emu asa kenya na ebaso. This is a fact. So, enti mesre the bia me come say you do say and if some way is anything to go by. I mean my character of the Bible, if it is anything to go by, how many of us anything can you be deal on sir? And if the Christ of the Bible is anything to go by, what was the reason tia on the preventing and say, oh, bah, am I a mouth crying my own shit a moon? If the Christ of the Bible on 10 a.m. And anyway, Okansas was somewhere in February, middle of February. We are in April. I mean, April ending. It's over 2 months now. But have we asked ourselves, say, has there been any release, official release be to I mean disprove some more kind, either to deny some more kind na many nyen twa bi so many say bi amonya twa bi so sa dia enti untimi pushing somewhere nyina to baby just like that say life should go on there be very difficult for you to push all these stuff somewhere say enye should be BNC na yak say be BNC. It no obia sorry na bibia anya nka mo there be. It doesn't happen that way. Massa insisa. And so that is the reason why me come on na me pray me bomb pie ye di kan na masre peace council Ghana ye to abampo na Ghana mu ye den a Peace Council to me, na ɔma bɛsiesie ama asomdwe aba yɛto aba na bi akɔba sɛ fa bi si ɔmo nte aseɛ ne adeɛ a yɛhu deɛ bɛyɛ na adwo brɛw na atɔ fam bɔkɔ yes nka yɛ obi fi asɛm but mɛsrɛ yɛ nananom mpanyimfoɔ yɛ ɔpa no mpanyimfoɔ peace council sɛ nsɛm no I think sɛ adɔɔso media no so 9 months atwa mu nyamkɔkyena nyame de yɛnkwakyɛ nyamkɔkyena yɛ May yɛwura the 10th month mu and ɔhwɛ kura firi akyire a biribia nkyerɛ sɛ na anaasɛ kyena nsɛm to ba abɛtwa nti mɛsrɛ sɛ wode National Peace Council ɛwɔ pa no yɛkura mo kotodwe mu sɛ ɛnha adwene a wode nka mommrɛ mu anim yi a na monhwɛ sɛ obi a wɔdi yaw deɛ nti a wɔdi yaw mo address na ma nsɛm to twa sɛ mesi ne ya ma no kasa busua asɛm a meka gye sɛ bia no bɛnya adwene sɛ maame akosua bɛpema akoma tɔ ne yam na ɔbɛka kyerɛ supporters sɛ ana mo time echi ɔmo sympathize with her sɛ ɛnyɛ hwee me ana me di yaw because of sɛ me nua no kora bia baabi yɛ kora no mahu me yɛ mma me kora ma hwɛ ne akyi but sisi adeɛ ebia makoma tɔ me yam yɛ okay nti mokyitafoɔ ɛyɛ adwobra obiara enya bibia akyidie ɛma obiara ɛntwe nsɛm ɛma obiara ɛntwe nsɛm nkɔ akyira I'm telling you sɛ to betwa the teacherfoɔ nyinaa bɛ giant ntɔkwasɛm biara ne adeɛ biara yɛ to betwa bibia bɛyɛ ti and this is a fact in the same way ɛkɔba sɛ ebia yɛ maame akosua sɛ wanso ba abɔnten sɛ teacherfoɔ a motana akyi ebia me ana na me di yaw sɛ nneɛma bi atɔkyema ne nneɛma bi a sɛ de si kɔɛ na akɔ ha adwe kakra bɛnya hwɛ sɛsi a nyame adom aten sɛ mo asɛm akɔma atɔ me yɛm nti teacherfoɔ adwobrɛw a bibia to betwa na teacherfoɔ bia bi onipa na akɔma ne sɛ ma nko biem na akɔma atɔ ne bibia to betwa to betwa because fact ne sɛ ɔmo ayɛ gift ɛwɔ nsɛm wei ho no ɛfa yɛ sɛ ɔmo kata ɔmo de bɔ ɔmo si ɛnyɛ me na meka sɛ immediate family ɔda bi to wo ɔse kɔpna immediate family na se ne sɛ ɔmo nyɛ immediate ɔda bi menyɛ me na mebɛ kyerɛ busua bi mu but ɔmo akata ɔmo ba wɔ ɔmo yɛ the immediate family because how we thought of it ya yɛ ɔmo de hyɛ na yi ɛwɔ abra bi a bi me mpɛsɛ me kyerɛ ne nti ɛba na sɛ we free way na free way nti but yɛ ɔmo de hyɛ na yi wɔ abra ɔmo ntumi anya akwanya mahwɛ ɔmo de hyɛ na ni akyi ɔmo ntumi anya akwanya amate ɔmo de hyɛ na yi ase ama bibia nkɔ so asomdwe kwan so and we say despite we nyinaa no I mean ɔmo nto bibia no ɛdɛ ɔmo bɛ di yaw mo just be human first yɛmfa yɛn ho hyɛ ɔmo tebea mu sɛ yɛyɛ nipa yi yɛ awerɛhoɔ hɔ anigye hɔ emotions wɔ hɔ we get where this issue is coming from ɛyɛ normal sɛ ɔmo bɛwɔ some grievance bi wɔ mu ɛyɛ normal sɛ ɔmo bɛwɔ yawdeɛ bi bɛte nsuo bi wɔ mu which is not wrong absolutely and kyia wɔ baabiara. And if we are all saying, say in a campaign say, and some not does too much. I mean, 9 months there is long overdue. Peace now here, it is 7 and 7 we have to first of all look at the root cause of this whole issue. And I say, one more I disturbed, one more my basa, one more things in bias. No one tiasi. Timestre, National Peace Council, Sabi, Lubanko Yabusi Munipa, Editumsa. Ben now then call your Bakuma Ghana. Let's share one Peace Council for. Say, Baya, come on, no me bushafo in answers. Now, will be a how be a wood piano. Come on, dressing. And my bushafo in Akuma told me, now swim. I know you're back. Now, a famous answer was said, but you can't share Peace Council. Let's share Parliament of Ghana. Because what they are coming up, so I'm a common up, so but the dream says, "Oh, let's say Parliament of Ghana." So because every papa ye nyamediano, Parliament of Ghana the brace one, I dedicate a brown the year government business. Is you say, omo de beto e papa yum, e dia kaino, e de akaino nkodi obekoma Ghana, e dia pejan din. I mean, ama Ghana for you know say, or you to almost parliamentarians and the Parliament of Ghana so jini too. No mbɛkɔ so account for the da yi na yehu bi ye TV ye de ho ama na bugi na beso mamansan enti ma say bia na ba bia nsɛm ya bedui na Parliament of Ghana ebeye din wɔ ho nsa fine omo ni bre but mesre about Parliament of Ghana say dia kɔsui asɛm no bɛyɛ 9 months ni ɛto ntimi ntwa ɛyɛ abusua bi mu asɛm no korɛ. However, baabi aba abɛduru ne deɛ ɛyɛ aboro so, baabi aba abɛduru ne deɛ ɛyɛ aboro baabi ɛnsɛ sɛ duru koraa. Nti bɛtumi a kɔm nyinaa so mfa ɔmo ano ntom bi. Ɔmo nyinaa mmerɛ mfa ɔmo ano ntom bi. Na ɔmo hwɛ sɛ bia biribi koraa na ɛntɔ yɛ ɛbɛtɔ yie na ama asomdwe aba. Ɛsɛ yɛ MPs a ɛwɔ Ghana na yɛ Speaker of Parliament ne mpanyinfoɔ. Because yɛmpo music ɛyɛ part of the culture of a group of people. And yɛwɔ Ghana ha music ɛyɛ part of our culture. High life ɛdi mu ntintiman paa. Yɛntumi nka Ghana abakɔsɛm aba yɛnka anaasɛ Ghana yɛ amammerɛ yɛ amane sisi yɛ nneɛma yɛ way of life ɛwɔ aba yɛmfa music nka ho. Wontumi nso nka Ghana music ɛwɔ abira wo mmɔda de no mbadi mu. Nti ne wɔkyi nsɛnsɛm a yɛde gyaa yi. Because bebree na akɔ wɔ Ghana ha they believe that he's the greatest Ghanaian musician of all time. Yɛn mu sɛ bra Ghana kora baeɛ no yɛnyanya anwontoni biara ɔyɛ kɛseɛ te sɛ wɔn da. Bebree no aka bebree na di mu nkɔmɔ ya mmemme deɛ mo ne wɔn yɛ adwene bebree na so na wɔn bɛyɛ adwene wɔn saa. Ti kɔba sɛ arguably the greatest Ghanaian musician of all time ya yɛmpo de bɛkɔ yɛ history books mu wɔ Ghana ha. Na nne yi yɛayɛ nyame dea. Na ne wɔkyi nsɛnsɛm ayɛ di gyaa. 9 months and counting. Egu so a ɛkɔ so deɛ mɛsrɛ paa sɛ Parliament of Ghana madaroma ɔso mo mmere mu bi wae. Sɛsi a masrɛ Peace Council ahen bɛduru akyiri paa masrɛ Peace Council sɛ ɔmo mmere mu sɛ ɛnha adwene nko adeɛ ɔmadaroma. Masan so asrɛ Parliament of Ghana sɛ baabi aduru no ano ayɛ de nti ɔmo sɛ ɔmo mmere mu bi na ɔmmɛboa ma asomdwe mmra. Ɛnyɛ ɔmo nko ana mesrɛ mo. Mensan so akotoa na masrɛ National House of Chiefs. Oba Ghana ha yɛwɔ nananom kuo yɛ a ahemfo Ghana ahyia mu wɔ National House of Chiefs. Mɛsrɛ nananom yɛwɔ National House of Chiefs. Sɛ nananom nso mmeda mu bi. President of the National House of Chiefs ɔgye a wɔwɔ yɛ agye bi sɛ hwɛ anwea so man hene ɛna nananom ate nkonnwa wɔ National House of Chiefs na nanom baabi ansɛm no duru no ani nyan. Baabi ansɛm no duru no ano ayɛ den dodododododo. Baabi ansɛm no duru no just say ɛha adwene paa. International ananom yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ ɔman no da mo akoma so modwen ɔman no ho paa. Ɔmo dwumadie bi a modi biara moyɛ in the interest of the Republic of Ghana. Ti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ mode hyie that's why Ghana nyinaa de hyie. Ne wɔkyi nsɛnsɛm yi ɛyɛ ayɛ de gyaa dodo. Yɛpɛ sɛ nka to twa ne yɛkɔkɔ yɛ no. Bɛdɛm sɛ adeɛ kye adeɛ sɛ nana foforɔ bɛbom na sei na ɛba na wei na sei na wei ka na wei yɛ sei na wei yɛ sei. Ama ɛyɛ ahadwe. Deɛ ne die ni a ɔbrɛ kwan so. Sɛ ɛnha adwene deɛ a ka yɛbɛsrɛ nanom ɛwɔ National House of Chiefs. Mo so mo wura mu bi wate na monhwɛ sɛ asomdwe bɛba. Ghana institutions biara ɔmbɛtumi aboa biara no. Especially at this point in time, yɛn nyinaa yɛmmoa yɛn nyinaa yɛmmerɛ mu bi na ɛto ntwa. Because abusua adeɛ na ɛte yɛfa no agorɔ saa 9 months mu ani o. 9 months atwam. Last Sunday na yɛ 9 months because it was on the 26th of July. And on last Sunday na yɛ 26th of April, which is 9 months and counting. Because this year you run na yɛ 30th of April. It's 9 months and abosome 9 aba abɛda so. So, we are still counting and nothing shows to say and now such na bibia to ba betwa. And na mama mi di ya, mama ni abrant me stress say sanity there. Yes, all these people and all these institutions say and okra ebi ahyase na 1% bobam because you be fiasem. But be adru no bibia kyerɛ bia ɔmo ana wotumi with respect to efie no mu nipa ana wotumi so wotumi handle ne mama bibia to atwa nneɛma akɔ ha adwen kakra because sɛ bi wotumi handle ne mama to twa ya kanyɛ ne sɛ 9 months yɛ da so tin sɛ we ho a wobɛfa afon bɛ content afide so the same issue na yɛ kan wasɛm the same issue na yɛ di mu awerɛhɔ the same issue na yɛ kyerɛ yɛ kyɛ adwen the farm. So what shouldn't be the case? That's the reason why I'm appealing to institutions in I say na ɔmmɛboa ɛma biribi anyɛ bɔkɔ ɔmo mmerɛ wo bi na ɔmmɛboa ɛma biribi anyɛ aso nti mesrɛ nanom a wɔwɔ national house of chiefs nanom Madaroma mode hyia no ho nsɛm no amanfo aka yɛkyerɛ yɛadwene wɔ ho a but it's as though adeɛ no to nyɛ ntwa na anaasɛ kyena nti nanom mesrɛ bisa na mo hwɛ ma mo de hyɛ no nipa bi nka nsɛm anim mfa ngu ɔmo angu mo de hyɛ no ho fi so na mo nyɛ din saa ma mo de hyɛ na amanfo gu n'anim ase bisa mo de hyɛ no sɛ nyɛ sɛ obi kura amanfo mo nyɛ din ma amanfo ni wachi amanfo keka nsɛm ni wachi amanfo ni awerɛhoɔ because yɛsɛ obi wu a yɛyɛ n'akyi yie mo de hyɛ n'akyi yie nie ɛna amanfo di yawe n'akyi yie nie ɛna da bia nsɛnsɛm wɔ hɔ yi ɛyɛ deɛ ne nsɛnsɛm no firi baabi afiri ne nua ba a wodi yaw ne yere a wodi yaw montie wɔn nyinaa asɛm na nka mo hwɛ sɛ motumi asiesie ama asomdwe aba national house of chiefs na Madaroma ade hyɛde ne bi ba mo sɛ motumi aboa ama asomdwe aba Parliament of Ghana Israel Madaroma sɛ motumi aboa ama asomdwe aba san sɛ baabi a siesie ansɛm na duru ne deɛ akwa akɔduru baabi a gye bi a mo ana motumi aboa ɛsɛ bi a moa na nyambetumi aka makoma ama ma yɛ ama na wie ti yɛbɛsrɛ national momrɛ moae Parliament of Ghana music ɛka ɔman bi ɔsɛ ɔkɔ ɔman bi mu a ɔman bi wɔ ne general of music a ɔproduce Ghana ɔntumi ka Ghana music araba ɔbɛyi high life afiri high life music that nobody mu ntintiman paa one of the people ɔmde Ghana dua duru akyire no ɔka ho bi but saa nyɛ hwee kwada bi a meka me sɛ King Charles in the year 2024, a list of top 20 music of that Lumbanyum and Pimpim Domi Erika Hombi. And Obi and your more could be said, in the see him pomp over Fadiaka and you might do no energy home. That's any in the way, and also project Ghana through music. Tiebesha said, Sabi, New Witch 9 months, air quite 3 months, so that's why we're here now. There be. Nti ene mpanyifo mo mmerɛ na baabi a ɔhaw ne firi by the root cause yɛ nti ama abusuafo bi di ya mo hwɛ sɛ mo besi nka mo ɛnha adwen Madaroma adesrɛ na mo de to mo anim wo de adesrɛ de mo hwɛ sɛ nka mo besiesie na mo tie obi asɛm na mo aka fa ne fa nyina bom na ma so twama Madaroma bi de me pa kyɛw pa ma desrɛ de nyina ya mo de to mo anim afei the Maka Peace Council Christian Council, the Panama so forward way more Ghana, the Charismatic and One Council. Yes, Papa no Obertonium, or Yabusiam this year, but obey your wine in Adia. Tina, ni were the vigil crowd man Ghana will be able to reach him. Yana yami ya. So baby, I send my because Papa Brown, you Yamadian. Ohwɛ deɛ na ɛkɔ so bi a na yɛ anigye ne osebo nko a ohwɛ deɛ na ɛkɔ so bi a na ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ asomdwe nko a na ɛyɛ nkabɔ mu nko a ɛne nneɛma a na hyɛ ne mu nyam nko a but kɔpem sɛ nneɛma bi torch ma na nipa bi hu ne sɛ asɛ yɛhyɛ dɛ twa nneɛma sɛdeɛ nipa bi adwene wɔn sɛ nneɛma bi atɔkye ma deɛ tia wɔn nti no ɛna ama yɛabɛduru baabi aduru nti mpanyinfoɔ wɔn mmerɛ na wɔnhwɛ the root cause of saa nneɛma na mo address him as because this is not what you and I anticipate. You say, okay, see, say, a witch, a bit peer from about. Yet the United dreams, okay, see, say, witch, dear Beckos. We never thought to say in ABC. We never thought say, I mean, BBC never Beckos. But a simility and a dear more about the baby. But what can we do? All that we can do is say, yeah, best something for a Belmont campaign when we are. No one should say, a pen semi principle. Because I shall crown and some way I'm a dophobia thermometer. I didn't as a public a car by Mount Fountain. Which on a normal day shouldn't have been an issue. Which on a normal day shouldn't have been a problem. But here we are. It's no, yes, it's a family matter, but simple. You also yet deal on one. Ebia the mayhem. How many money at the bank? Ebia now can't one. ebi ɔhaw ne amane ɛbɛba no ebi a na nkɔ ankɔboa ebi a na ɔhaw ne amane ɛbɛba no na nkɔ ankɔboa ebi a na ɛkyerɛ nsunsuansoɔ no ebi a na nkɔ ankɔboa because for about 9 months and counting yɛn team hu yɛ 9 adeɛ baako na ɛna akɔyɛ sɛ ɛno ana mɛka sɛ akɔyɛ sɛ body bi a perform oscillatory motion body bi a perform simple harmonic motion etwa ne ho ɛkɔ ha na aba ɛkɔ na aba santi asɛ ɛnam first point no so the first point no hyɛ mfimfini ɛna etwa wɔn ho saa nti asɛ kɔ na aba ɛkɔ na aba ɛkɔ na aba saa da bia na befoforo ɛyɛmfo de befoforo frɛ mu ba nti there hasn't been any road map bi sɛ obi bi a ɛna na section na na de kye na wɔtwe akyi ɛnsɛ bi to wa betwa ɛna yɛte ho saa ɛwɔ yɛ man yɛdi mu awɛ ho saa na kura menya nka yɛn nsɛm twerɛ ni da bia me sɛ yɛn nsɛm twerɛ ni me tɔn news na wɔde bɛsoma amansan ti me menya asanka da bia na nka ɛho news ba me de soma amansan nanso menyɛ pɛsɛ me nkunya menwen me nko ame ho because nipa ni obi a yi na yɛ dɔ no ti na asanka na normal day kasi media person bi apɛsɛ news bɛba na wɔnyɛ bi de asoma amansan but the dɔ a yɛ wɔde ma nipa no na yɛhu ne sɛ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ bi a na ɛha adwene nti ɛma nipa bi di a nti yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛadwene ho but yɛbɛsere papa no ho dɔ no da so wɔ yɛn mu wɔsɛ nneɛma bɛboa yɛn nyinaa yɛyɛdi ho adanse nti mpanyinfoɔ ho mmerɛ mu na nka nsɛm yɛtu twa na nka ne din nna kakra na nka ne din nna kakra because nsɛm no aha adwene dodo yeah okay menhwɛ comment ne bi abɛn na afei nto aso nti me sɛ wɔdi mate sɛ deɛ mede to yɛn nananom anim yi sɛ bidu yɛn nananom anim a ɔmbɛti na ɔmbɛtu ho anam aboa ama asomdwe aba because sɛsi at this point na ɛwɔ no I think say the idea of obi fi asɛm no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde to nkyɛn na yɛhwɛ kwan a asomdwe bɛtumi aba na yɛhwɛ kwan a ɛfa ne ɛfa bi abɛtumi akoma bɛtumi ato ne yɛ na ama bobo bebrebe nyinaa to atwa na yɛtumi ako akɔyɛ nim that is the only issue because obsɛne nanatofoɔ no nyinaa yɛ nyame de a wan kra biom Miami Chrome, Dr. KJC, and Noble Kings. After one crab him, just a baby na media. But many say even after 9 months, nonsense, seminal and near me, that a kid class and nano ya. After 9 months, nonsense, and go so across one, you to Australia was baby. And yes, young to say, right from the word going on, maybe management of this situation, I didn't say Mukaka. A fact. On the Okan say, no, be no nyadwe, but young can yen should yam yen can yam so great. So, Oman also manage a sim we see the baby, and we able to be a dream. To some extent, almost fairly Kakai managing this issue. And yes, she, and yes, here. This is the end was here. This is a Cobana, parties now one somewhere one. Almost who trust any man or money to manage a sim we are not be a assumption. It's not mistressing pain for me. Because I made respect to family no moon paying for any committee manager as we are ma bibia pemso. Ebia no credit yamin no credit back. Ebia could do baby ma say no something manager as ma funny a friend and tia sene kabu ban. When to me anya nisa. Enti na me abeju baby adru. And that's the reason why I feel say it was a sabi your man moon paying for a bambi. Na sabre almost be so me or my from there. Because we cannot be here forever. Yeah, but not the same way who sa not the beer yet in same way who not the beer just say there be a dear no there be. So they need any Brazil points. Or be or how be it was your more dressy or how. Obi or how near money be a more dressing more. No more be a command to you. Naturally, genuinely. Obi akoma to ne yam a ebi ato betwa obi akoma to ne yam a ensem we eto betwa kra babra obi anya hwe na ebi aya asomdwi na fa yetimi akon akwani ahwe de obo ade nyankopon enso ebeye ede amana so let's keep on remembering the family and obi biara we involved in our prayers ebra na aye bon pa ese nyame se ye pese ye no masomdwi ebo a ti nyame na mpekwan bi so na ɔmfa asomdwie mmra san sɛ nyankopɔn nko ara na yɛ asomdwie hene and we believe very well sɛ nyame no ayɛ sɛ ɔde asomdwie bɛba a biribiara bɛyɛ bɔkɔ abusua mede ase sɛ wogye berɛ na wohwɛ me mede de kɔpena wo so yɛnkae mmɔde nkyerɛne bi abɛɛ na yɛmfa hyɛ no mmra awieɛ sɛdeɛ ɛsi ɛteɛ momfa nkyerɛ sɛ na nkɔmmɔ a na wɔ sɛ yɛdi no yɛstarteeɛ no because of nneɛma bi a nipa bi yɛ nti no sɛ ma nkɔmmɔ no shifte kakra ba wodi kan de comment baa na ma ntimi nkan a san fa bra na sɛ yɛ ana okenkan a oyɛ show na do akyi ama comment say di kan baa na yɛ ana ɛyera so and Evans Love Truth said don't mind them bro they can't break you because they never made you stay strong bro Martin Medas Evans Medas say Divine Charity say yes everyone with conscience will speak the truth Kopina Medas say I think Maurice Dash say they are using the police to intimidate people who decides to speak the truth I say Maurice Dash I think Divine Charity say for them to call your sponsors is ridiculous and yes I'm good and how many have been here the Marcasa one because I say Sani we shall say I mean Casa on that because I mean me to me I face me challenges near there but then me ye di on one akopem say I could do level bi a me sponsors I'm from mo kika sansem at the show nti no so baako afei Evans Love say wow who really just said me dream one minute ase afei the South African say hey have you heard a fly before this is too bad how dream Ajobi say yes it's very true and the brother me chim say a bureaucrat na obusa feeling omo number no me anam say that the number na from afei Evans Love Truth say sorry to hear that bro bad things happen to good people all the time. Matthew Amdasi. Maurice Das is such a patriotic liar. Okay, I'm sure that person is from the other side. I want to discredit you to your partners. Do you have the picture of the person? There be the meaning of the picture. After Evans Love Truth say, just don't lose it. They want to upset you so you can show your anger. Matthew Amdasi. After Ajobi is admire the way you remember details. You have a very good memory. But that's about Ajobi. The more you call Abaya. After Johnny Agri is Nana, we want the truth. Mama comfort. But that's about Germany. After Maurice does say any news about Americans. After Mama comfort, we say your mother is watching you from Hamburg. Nana, Mama. But that's about. And after Evans Love Truth say. God bless your precious soul for your understanding, bro. You're welcome, my dear, my bro. And I've more comfort say we want ex parent to tell the truth. Okay. I've more comfort because we went from that way in the world. The person family didn't see their brother's family, their brothers. Okay, that's a dead person near whom I feel okay. The money at the other. Okay, Matthias, Matthias, and I feel Johnny Agribiums, Nana, this can't stop. Okay, one say. There's one HSL. Only who is any public can say. But which does say, why then do we have precedents in our law court? Precedents are set in someone's case and can be used in the judgment of another person. No correct, no correct. And even in court case, ruling no court so much now. I mean, the judgment of board precedents are hold over brave. You would not so at the Ebuasen. After I just say, I think the person is doing it to only Mame Akosia and Dio's family supporters. Nana JB also going through the same. Oh, okay, Matia. So people watching and boss say, let them continue on Kwabena. Nothing will change the love. Matia Meda say. Evans Love there was listen. I just want to Evans. The only comment. The only year man I know them. Of Evans Love Truth say they can't take nothing from you. You're too blessed. Amen. Meda say. Of Evans Love Truth say was listen. Of Mary also say oh yes. After I just say, my dear, just move on. Don't spend your precious time for these ignorant people. What they said to you about your wife in UK, the same thing they are sending and telling people about NGB. Oh, okay, Matia. Evans Love to his next number. Okay, that's around what I'm talking. After Evans Love, BM said, what's this? Evans Love to they are all snakes and then talk. They only throw venom to destroy people when they open their mouth. Oh, okay, I just want to say the person can't be a female. Please go to JB's page and listen to him. Some people are listening, so they are trying to shop your time and energy. Evans Love to they are all snakes and don't talk. They only throw venom to destroy people when they open their mouth. Oh, okay. Abba Crankson say Ghanaians say the truth, but they are the very people who run to churches every day. After Evans Love Truth say you're too good. Please try not to make these people a factor right now on your show. Matia, men come on some crappy, madam. Frank Williams say enchanter were not free. Charity Radio say this is serious. So Charity Radio say why are they doing this crap? Grace Saki say hi, hello Grace Saki. Ebony may say no. Ebony, I say more. After Evans Love Truth say they're trying to break you emotionally because you're too good in heart. Okay, Matia say. After Abra Crankson say, God is watching them. Don't worry. They can hide and do their worst, but God will pay them in a way they will never forget about it. They should keep on doing their worst. The time is coming. No crepa. After Evans Love would say someone is using her. I have someone. Evans Love say I will not be shocked if it's hey. I would say Evans Love tweet. I would say. After Agnes, I do say God will punish them. Why are they doing that? Just let me want to say. Florence Malfoy it should be your hey Florence. I would say. After Evans Love say this is the most saddest case I've ever seen in Ghana. And after Rita Mampenesi Kwabna, you are a very honest person. Love you, bro. I love you too, sis. And after Evans Love to say, I almost cried one time because of you say was pain, bro. What Matthias said. After Evans Love to say, I would tell Evans. After Frank Williams say, who near you, there is time for everything. And maybe also need takra. And maybe one takra. Maybe also one takra ever from okay. Matthias said, after Evans Love to be say, bro, this case has become spiritual. And before this case ends, a lot of people will die. Oh, someone your mom is in your man massa. What the Roma. After Frank Williams say, I can't think Frank Williams and Kitwa. After Evans Love to say a lot of NDP were to go to jail and Mahama failed promises. Politicians are using this case to cover up their oh Samu Atia Mate. After Mwembi Evans Love to say they twisted everything because this case was supposed to be either missing person or murder case. Oh, someone, Matia, everything can be a betray. After Evans Love to trust your comment section was it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. But all the young fan Pimha, a prepare best copy. Now, Manti and the use of the Biami Damwasi. And this might be our last video for the month. Now, me Namwasi, Papa, me Namwasi, because and Yasem Kitwakra. Sɛdeɛ magye berɛ na mahwɛ yɛn na bibia mu taa akyi wɔde akoma pa ne mpaebɔ pa taa akyi no I cannot thank you enough. I cannot thank you enough koraa. Nti no meda mo nyinaa mo ase sɛ mode ɔdɔ ne akoma pa ataa mehwɛ sɛ kemenya analytics ne wɔ ha sɛ yɛn ho na yɛhwɛ yɛn viewership no sɛdeɛ siteɛ last month na a youth for the door so power last month na US for right yes I think that this month so US for now and now to be better so na share statistics no aka clear bi na share one share pa go there the last video for the month into I was a timid dam na must okay hey US for more than you that's what title no okay to be better so na ya da wase abusua bia ye at the end of the month bia ye hwe omo a omo hwe papa na appreciate omo yes and the statistics no me breaking na aba ye din na aba to so no bia atiase se dia isi etel afei gender no so okay this ya mema na ba aka first na man hwe 2 ma this ya mema na ba aka but still na man hwe more ni na wa ye be check statistics no me fan to me na to so na ye hwe the stats no and the movie account you be na be first last month you na di one dance say are you for the share pa na USA for last month USA for the share pa what do you think this month's more dreams are you for the share pa you share statistics no way na you na ye ntiase me fan to so the fan down was our last video for the month I appreciate you all so this month of April so sebi nyame adom ho ye mobo be share na mo anyi ama said the previous month in Ammonia man. I don't visit Germany, Mate, any obedium. I you who, I mean, you were. I you who was young. Is I ever share last month, Germany, are you for the defense, America for? Now, I you who, why never to tread the canny, why never sooner? Okay, yes, the one ever to tread the canny, why never be sooner? It wouldn't be without wasting much time long. Yamabo free tour. Free tour. To any statistics. Free tour. Yes. The tour, free tour. We free tour never. Okay. The free tour. I went from Pony. About. The free tour. Yes, near show more a share pan and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The top 10 countries are sharing. Any other aba. Number 10. And there's a wow, country I'm deep account. I'm crying my idea. Because countries will be asking, and I say, if I top 10, I'm going to be. There's a my idea. Number 10, country, month of April, from 2nd of April, ABC 29, that is NRA, almost by Grace TV panel. I want to also 10, and that's Spain. Spain for the also 10. 1.4% of by Grace TV viewers know every Spain. To Spain for Yedamasi. Number 9, Belgium. Yes. 1.8% of your viewers every Belgium. And I'm going to show you free Belgium main cancer. Number 8, France. 2% of your viewers know I'm free France. And as I'm going to show you free France. The France for Yedamasi. Say I'm going to share 2% of our viewers know free France. So we appreciate it so much. I'm going to show you free France. Number 7, Netherlands. Netherlands is Amsterdam for Anna Bush. And I'm so boy board then and the mama Monica that winner was Netherlands for that was yes nti man is so Belgium man is here that was and Sipoku of France Paris okay yes Netherlands for also share Netherlands for a torso 7th yes number 7 and Netherlands for number 6 I want also 6 Italy for also 6 Italy for that was a Palermo for, Rome for, Turin, that was Milan for, Italy for the also 6. Naples for, Naples, that was Italy for the also 6. I want also 5, number 5, Canada. The Evans love to Canada for, also 5. More 5th, also 5th. More number 5. The woman share by Grace TV, Canada for the also 5th. Canada for a percentage near 4.3%. And Italy for it also 6 no, and so percentage I have 4.1%. In this Canada for only beat Italy for about 3%. But yes, Italy for your moment you to Canada for. So okay, number 4, one also 4th. Ajobi Germany for one 4th, one also 4th. We are 9.4%. There's a Germany for a show by Grace TV now, or more 9.4% of our total viewers for the month here every year. 9.4%. Germany for I appreciate it so much. I appreciate it so much. Damasi. I'm going to talk some yensa. Ghana for Kumasi, Bantama, Accra, Kumasi, Accra, Techima, and Sumiane. I do a big crew, the mine crew, Mampon, Kasua, Accra. Yeah, Mr. Joyce. Yes. Germany for and it's also 4th. 9.4%. Germany for that's also 4th. 9.4%. Afi. I'm not Ghana for the top 10. I can't Ghana also 10. I can't last 2 no. I can't last 2. I'm following this one. Last 2 na I get it but the end last 2 no any. It's see I'm baby I was a US near America and a person. US near UK. Me can say. I want to also 2. United Kingdom. UK for also me. UK for the Saffron ne Nana Banana. And then Omaka, Mr. Puku Brache, normally on Yakana. UK for it also 2. Percentage of UK for a share, normally at 20.4%. 20.4%. UK for it also 2. But Amsterdam, so many Nana could do so share until Nana so count. Nana, which I'll pass on here. Nana could do of Amsterdam, and then I imagine my friend Penny who can so share my party. Amsterdam for 3% of by Grace TV. Nana could do a count be. And then on the hook, and I imagine my friend Penny. And I feel more men something that can be. Yes. And the UK for me, I'm told to we are 20.4% of total viewers are shared by Grace TV. Manti Tremi. And as a manta, a baby. As usual, US for and a super title. It's US for when you two what it. US for the share papa. US for and a super title. Is US for but just say UK for not being US for because last month now US for the gap. But is UK for not being US for the US for percentage near 22.4%. Yes, 22.4% of your viewers now. Yeah, sure by Grace TV. Or munina every US. The US for mortality on that sukra mati. Obi anti me free myself. UK for try but I think it's a moment to yeah tight and that's why cram said yeah it's US for Yes, this last month, munya hinche no. This month, so ya samba, ya yedi hinche na sa ama mo se, munye mo hinche. Na mo a na mo kwa title no. As mo share by Grace TV, pa. It is no other than Ghana for on the US. So US for Munji too. Yeah, we appreciate it so much. We appreciate it so much. That is it. The top 10 of US number 1, I want to share by Grace TV. UK number 2, I want to share by Grace TV 2. And I think Ghana number 3. Germany, we are number 4. Canada, we are number 5. Italy, we also 6. Netherlands, we also 7. Nana could do name and Ajima Prempe, Omicron, yes. We also 7. France, for we also 8. After Belgium, we also 9. And Spain, also 10. And the Mugdi crowd will not come be unless a wire dear pa. The crowd can get a month to make it top 10 listen. So, sanity. Now, last month, not a man show by Grace TV pa. This month is what I think say a man show by Grace TV more now. But then, the attendant said, a man close the gap like a crack. I'm real statistics now. I'm fan to never show them maybe. From last month, now a man attached by Grace TV pa bear 61%. But this month, here was the attendant said, a man close the gap. Any never. Statistics now there too soon. Yani I appreciate you na. Sanse igna ni ayama na yi. Okay. And do share on your screen now. Still now man that's a record no. But just a swati. Last year na man share pa. Last month na man share na man 63% as I said. But this year na man about 59%. And a man so about 41%. Now say or share by Grace TV, offer by Grace TV, proximity to the nearest tenor. Yes, the nearest tenor. Or share by Grace TV, I think the nearest 100 crown. We need pattern. Say about any pattern. If with records it's anything to go by, we need pattern out. The about any pattern share. A move 6 AMA, and a move 4 AMA. And the man that's a record. Mama, Monsori, I'm where I'm my record now. And the was really. Medamunas Sabia Shas Yenche. I think you 9 months, 10 months where Yanya, but no crap me bunya the Biarada. A coma pa, and your dog would the attach a missing them. As a mecan, mean can be. This is Yenika Janiasana. Was meaning, say YouTuber Juma at density. The YouTuber Juma is stressful city. To me say, so the call life gonna be any patterns or more show. Yansen put about Moody on Yamia, the Moya man and Bruce. Now, when she had the remaining purpose of 500 years, she can't share. Yes. Now, what for? I just saw about a one nipper over 1.5k as 1.6k on their share. And you're my home thing. And you say, be a Bruce, a papa be changing. But they be a Yamina who you're mobile, and I'm also who you're mobile. And I'm not sure. Mr. Semi Moba. Nana, more fast. Meaning, living up purpose, do will be a match. I'm a phone. But I'm a child of phone part, or friend, what sense me. Laying I can't. You're shooting young bay. Buzia, I'm remember what it was. Sir, my mother, Uncle Crabisa, Namon Tent Nemisa, Namon Church, I'm saying Yammy Pa, Yaminti Bay. You may not be was from your quite. Let be behind. Damas, I Santa, Damas, I'm saying, I'm saying, I'm Quania one day, no, here, and Quania one day, Quania penny. The Akin and Yamina breast or the Becayam. Straw body, yes, only and Quania one day. No one could cry, we say, Yanaka. Say, Yammy pa, get to a bay, I see. Addition of body at the end. Say, I am Kakranka. Yaminti bedru. Says ya the Yandru, offering a chassis, and so shrunken Yamidin say, and nay a chain ras, ye train Nicovetia, and nay a chain ras, and nay a chain running Yamina. The moment Yamina the person I had. It's not made up by Grace TV subscribers. Nancy. Wow, Bobby do my time comment section. Wow, Bobby, a better good thing or Obia, with the Obiaras. So as is independent, I'll grab the word. Union up a paper. That was Yamin Sham. I want you to come as one year from so they're more time machine. na wo nso a wo na ahyɛ saa nneɛma na ɛkɔ so akyi na sɛ wo na ayɛ saa nneɛma no sɛ dem di kan kan no asa ka bi mu sɛ deɛ wayɛ akoduru na ayɛ sɛ deɛ mo andi kɔn deɛ mo ni nkɔn ne wɔm deɛ aka ɛna ɛsɛ ɛbɔ mo ban deɛ wayɛ akoduru na ayɛ ma ne mpem hɔ a sɛ me adom yɛ gather details bi a yɛhia bia mpanyinfoɔ yɛ aware yɛ ne yɛ akɔ sɛ mo go ahead a ɔmo betu saa na mo na baabi a wo bia yɛ track o ne yɛ ne mbra ɛne wadi wobɛtumi asɔre akɔ obi boss akɔdidi atɛm I mean I no kwa den kan ha me sɛ ne yɛ professional asa but then wobɛfrɛ sponsors atwa ntoato ato yɛ so ade fami yɛ sɛ wɔne me wɔ mane adeɛ ɛwɔ abra wɔne me kɔ baabi a aka nsɛm sɛ wɔne wɔ mane madwane afiri wo nkyɛn wɔ UK abɛtena Ghana ha ɛwiɛ bɔ ne aso ɔhyɛ wɔ Ghana ha woka sɛ yɛnya kwantu ayɛ ntu ana sɛ bi asɛm ka wadarɔma nti I mean ɛho sɛ ɛha adwe nti wo a woyɛ saa no ɛmpem hɔ a mpem am sɛ nyame na bɛdɔm adwensakra na wagyae saa nneɛma because the next move a bia no I'll be left with no option na say my mom those mpanyinfoɔ no go ahead na deɛ wɔsɔ ɔmo yɛ bi ɔmo ayɛ sɛ ɛno nso mpɛ ne saa nti yɛn ti aseɛ saa na biribi anya asomdwe na biribi anya mɔkɔ ebusua mi da ase sɛ ɔgye brɛ na ɔhwɛ mu di ne kɔfina osu yɛkɔ nyame nka nyinaa jiwo usu aframa mama me bibia bɔkɔ deɛ ɔsɛ God bless you kɔfina amen ɔwɔ me ɔnhyira wɔn so na ɔnka wɔn so no na wɔnyɛ wɔn so akoma so adeɛ mfama wate megye di sɛ twɛdeɛ mpo nyankopɔn atɔm abusuafoɔ ho yɛ obiara ho yɛ biribiara ɛkɔ so kamakama ɛda ase paa wate sɛ abere biara ɛba life a wɔde akoma pa ne ɔdɔ ɛbɛta akyi na biribiara ɛbɔkɔ na abusua mede asɛ mesrɛ mo deɛ ɛbɛwura next month yi yɛ ahofa something has gone wrong deɛ akɔ wrong ne sɛ nnipa bi abɛwura me inbox abɛdidi m'atɛm paa te sɛ aka nsɛm anim de afa no ɛna wɔn asa frɛfrɛ me sponsors ɛka kyerɛ me sponsors ɛka nsɛm anim de gu me so ɛde kyerɛ me sponsors ɛma binom de nenam ɛka kyerɛ me sponsors koraa sɛ ɔmo ɛkunu ne me ɔmo ne me aware awo mo abɛɛ sɛ mmienu na mɛdwane afiri ɔmo nkyɛn wɔ London abɛtena Ghana kyɛ sɛ nsɛm no ɔno mu ne tim mu ne nan ɛyɛ mesere koraa na ɛna mekyerɛ nipa korɔ sɛ wɔnya because I've gathered all the evidence yɛ a wɔnyae saa nneɛma no a straight away ɛneɛ my man 24 hours that is baby ɔyɛ akɔdu nnɛ no ɛmpem hɔ anɔpɛ yɛ a bɛɛ sɛ ɛni ada move bi akɔ so a mɛma Ghana Police Service ayɛ aware because already mɛde kɛ tia wɔn aso yɛ a wɔde wɔn pɛ green light no kɔ a wɔn tu anamɔ bi ɛsɛ wɔn tu but mmea na mɛmpɛ sɛ mede obi ba bɛfa stress bi mu na ɛbrɛ bi nipa kɔ wetin de akɔ yɛ n'adwuma de akɔbɔ ne brɛ bi na abayama ne daabi ɛho ɛha adwen sɛ bi ɛyɛ na adwen yɛn ho and sɛ nipa na nyae na wɔn bɛki ne move bi a I'll be left with no option than sɛ ɛbɛma green light no na Ghana mmara ne di nso mɛmpɛ ne saa ti wakɔ no wɔhwɛ me a ɛda sɛ ɔno ara na wɔreyɛ ana obi na ɛhyɛ n'ase obi na abɔ ne paa obi na ahyɛ ne kutu pa sɛ wɔntu saa na no ɛnyɛ hwee baabi a wayɛ akɔduru no ayɛ ɔmfa mpem wɔ na yɛnhwɛ deɛ aka wɔ anim so ti ready ɛne ɔfa kofi deɛ akɔ so no I'm sure Karen I mean I told us much I want to say asɛm deɛ ni adanseɛ twa wo bi deɛ adanseɛ and mehwɛ nsɛm mu a kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ asɛm mu ade wei deɛ me experience bi da and I mean sɛ a calculated thing. Sana madwene yam say a calculated oh yɛ bi a yɛn so da ɛnyɛ nneɛma bi sa ne yɛmfa ɛma branch no kwa yɛn destabilizing sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɔnyɛ stable na bi a wɔntumi koraa ɛmɛdi dwumadie bi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ na ɔndwendwen ho no come on I mean yɛne branch no koraa play mind games bi na sɛ yɛn hyɛ da mfa pressure bi nto ne so na sɛ wɔnyɛ disturb ɔndwendwen ho da bi abusua we know what you signed up for yɛnim deɛ abɛsign up for enti sɛ wobɛma obi ahyɛ okutu pa sɛ o ɔka nsɛm fa abranteɛ no ho abranteɛ bi a wonim wɔ baabi a wo megye di yie sɛ videos a meyɛ yi a na wabɛhu na bi a wohwɛ me videos ɛna wafa me numbers na wafrɛ me sponsors keka saa nsɛm no de kyerɛ na ɛyɛ no gye baabi a nipa ɛma yɛwerɛ firi yɛn ho sɛ yɛwobɛgu wɔ asase so biara no ana wobɛtwa sɛ nka wobɔ me inbox koraa bɛdi m'atɛm deɛ no deɛ sɛ nyɛ problem because adwuma wei no ɛyɛ part of I mean occupational hazard sɛ wɔ adwuma wei mu ɛkɔ so daa akɛsefoɔ paa and a amount for be I mean, I can't send with him their form. But to go to the extremes of our firm sponsors, I mean, you know, by Grace TV, so say, maybe sponsors, no crowd, say, and I may ain't, you know, and more money into one around you. Don't say, yes, I'm not a yakwa for happy. So, to me, it's about corner sharing. Day I was sharing because so on Shamia, and can only sponsors no number. No, I can't from. But the fact that the moment I was sharing now, what's many of when you sponsors the numbers, I got from Kika's answering that. But the good thing is, say, Yamiadum, as well as from now. Obiama, amu na ye, omu nim dia, obi expose nipa nim say, ono kwa sa someone can be so bia. Enti afi na o dia dane atemdie ya, who did the sponsors attempt. That be obusian for. See, I mean hardware pa. See, whoever or you behind that no. Onya media me person ma agimi se bia obi na akobo obi pa na bi. I know they may be near dance bi antimi nkasa. But the one nipa awon yesa. But try say play along, but they be awadwen amaso. Try say what number we friend, not different number friend, number we test, not different number test. And obia onimi bia no ma test them say me obia Oba me inboxer. I am very polite because some you adwuma ye untimi nka wani mu nsisu ni nipa nto anamo. There be a very competitive job na ye. Ti wa ma wani mu ante am fasede am many pa kwa aba e bia na woni pa bi na ebebo. But to assume so betimi agina sa na man so de 2,000 amount there. Eno de nsi madaroma. Nti empemwa. But if there happens to be any move again and they straight away and you'll be the commentary, so them paying for can now a boss yako and then a quadri action to Mr. Wadaroma. If you got see Serbian there, Serbian maybe near 2 near time, but now may take the move now to drastically involve law enforcement agencies. No say the Ghana Rama who can say will be defame will be back more. I mean, everybody is on your man. And then was what was not be I asked you. I was saying that say much bread. Now, I think there's a comment in the about. I mean, wrap up with the final part of comments now. But I feel you have showing Emra area na Jamie Adamo Brepem. You sign about the might be a mechanic fine from. So, Frank Williams or say Canada. I can't have what I was saying. I can't have what I was fifth. Okay. And I think more of a confidence with Yam. We are to say hello, Kwabena. Hello, Reggie. Reggie Bibiabako, yeah. Okay. And I think Kofi say, wow, are they getting more of a Kofi say, wow, they getting my love. I'm a general crime in TRC, whatever. And I was say, I'm late today. Reggie Yansen Ketua. My kind of current so the current I say more. But Kofi just be cool. They will get their punishment. Matthew offer. After we are say, what? Oh, shame on these people. Reggie Yansen Ketua, just say. About thanks and be cool, Matthew offer, Matthew Wadaroma. Frankly, I'm saying, God have mercy. Amen. And I think Karen Kwam say a lot of trade is going on for those supporting Mama say, well, but stand firm. God is with you, lots of love. Matthew Wadaroma, Yametia Sibiabe. After the say they are trying to silence a good person, but they won't win. And the sponsors must be intelligent enough to know how some of our Ghanaians are born to be jealous of the good work you are doing. And the party, Yamia doing Shanka Yamidin Kwasa, my sponsors, they didn't fall for. Dependence about cake. So, but me na me say no. Even if it's me now, person who address me, but to go to the extra mile, say my sponsors now and we can someone in the actual money a behavior. So yes, no. Frankly, I'm never say die by Grace TV until the bones are rotten. No crap. I was here. This is our last video for the month. It's a bit breaking this video. I appreciate this so much. I'm finding my answer to all. And answer to all. I said, wow, Ghana, the shaking my man. Yeah, the question. Let's a job in the. They were calling me, but my man warning say, Pimoa or men percent mistress you. We never be a brass and now, and if I be a chanko, there be, but there were evidence, numbers now, all the numbers are their friend again now. And I was in the panel smart to know, say, true color and being now on him, men person make us a big great. But it's a 2 and chat. Let me send your message be from sponsors. Now I said, Mianca Sacra, Miaka Yana and Shada, but your message be from Mianca Samoa and sponsors. A behind the Nadia cyber community for nothing. omne wati ntina bu free fi awosu nyansa ho. I mean, say asem kwa na make na me nyansa. You can come and make your points. But you don't go about defaming people. There be any other sir. So see, sababa no say papa no say ni pressure na say munya isa na emo. Then I mean never pay. Then I will be plenty. I was a go through that level. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. But over anything, Obiani said they was sitting someone say Fantino. Obiani said see any normal. But oh sell bread on this like nipa no grant wo yes ah. At the end I been here free. At the end I been here free. So, but over anything, sana akwa ti abusunya de ye better from bi amesamba na me dia beso but me mo bia a happy new month in advance. May ya yakwa me nyame nkan nyina ye ho. Na onye yakoma so ade mai. Nyame nkan nyina ye ho. Na wonbie kwan mai. Na wonyi mfra domu kwa domu. I mean this month of May yakwa me ade bia ebe muso ne esen ba esen by Grace TV ani ahwefo na Nyankopon twedi ampon na nye mfrim. May nyame ma may the best of months a yeshia. Na onye yakoma so ade mai. Ni se bebre na mo bo ho mpai. Bebre na mo hwe. Nyame nye nyina yakoma so ade mai this new month. Na onye yempi o ma wiase hu ye ne pe we because Bible crack say yen so kan ya mfa nhye kodo ase ye so kan ya edi se me personal share ma san nyina hu bi ti kan ya bia nyame de adue ye mu no bosume nnu mu ayi bero me nyame ma ye kan ya na nhye na biase ni pe na hu han ye we ye mu no de aseda ma ye ja ya wo so e we ye rade Yesu Kristo de muti amen yes anti ahofan ma that's it and I me offer coffee as stay strong matter of me that's it and that's it but still now US for the decan month here US for the share by Grace TV and this year for the last 2 months US for the crowd record no yes the US for me that was what one more crowd record now I'm share from last month I be do be the kudos to US for more guy brutal yes the first 9 that one, first 8 that one. US for the share by Grace TV, and a UK for most more toss me, and a Ghana toss 3, the first 3 no. So your mom medal sanka, gold medal US for the Binya, for US for the share, now silver medal in UK for now bronze medal in Ghana for, and so when US UK Ghana for the one US and UK for medals for some share, and a Ghana for some no or Ghana and daytime or the show. So we never say it at their show. What you also tell me, Yansen, Ghana for I appreciate you so much, okay. And I US near you so once you data I want to share Wi-Fi near the you know some top number media share. Tibe there will be as top 10 of Netherlands for Italy for Canada for but the movie now Maswati. I appreciate you so much. Yamisha Mopa. Now when you must mark Maswati. Emfa Emma Brepa me best share but me quay special greetings to Miami Nana connected. Yeah, well Amsterdam approach memo. Nana free kuma wuraso. Nana bechial pa nyame nko so nsha onye akoma so ade ma one onkani nana agi my pempe ya mo Amsterdam abroach memo bechial mo pa nyame nko so anka na onye makoma so ade emfa ma busia ebepa mi behia happy new month in advance may God be with us na on boy on by na onye yakoma so ade emfa ma in the new month in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ amen obago fi bye ebusia ati ebepa mi behia akra. But ye kwe abrante bi are kidney o besremo mo men kan wase na krabi ansa na makwate mo men kan ko an wase besremo abrante we are kidney o yes abusuya abrante we are kidney and the kidney do stage 5 to be adu na no ye den papa abrante kidney be abrante ya de adu ano ye den papa ontimi nya ne ho hwe na doctor for say transplant now. Here sika yeah $30,000. I said what a transplant. Yes, a doctor for so here sika $30,000. Now was $30,000 now. What they buy in Ghana is kemwa. Over 3.31 as a 3.32 billion. In Jessica to Accra. And no man chain. Now what you be a brand here called dialysis. Now what you be a brandy or dialysis? Yeah, just say or dialysis now what you be answer a car bono a 12 million. Now what you be a dialysis a car bono a 1,200 Ghana cedis. It didn't say a brandy and a boca ye pa Ebusuafo ne adofo oboka yie pa. Then na me dream wams there bi. Wa be bon the road by Grace TV so. Na nyame ya adom a woni e be ka wakoma no. Kakra bi abetimi di aboa bi. Se nipa ba ko nsa nso nyame ani kata. Nti abusua se bi kakra bi a wa hoɔden betimi bia. Kakra bi abetimi di aboa enu abema bia. E kwan da ho. Abusuafo be gyina o ma da wase. Ti misro. Abrantia no woni o yade na aye ni sei na woni ma me nkyerɛ ne picture ankasa. Ebra na yade nya mae no. Hwɛ abrantia ni. Ti yade ya o. Wa mo brand e free aye. Obi benya wa na free aye. Mira Yesu e yade yo. Sika o na se o yade a. Bede na wenye nije. Ajuma o na se o yade a. Bede na wetu mi akọ. Ajuma o na se o yade a. Bede na wetu mi aye. Kwanto o na se o yade a. Bede na wetu mi akọ. Inya mi ehu emobo. Eradie. Sentrani wure. Bayarisa. Yo mediani. Jesus say. Ahu mo bro nyamie. Bayarisa. Yo mediani. Ti yadie yo. Yadie yo. Yadie yo. Radie. Beshoma. Ti abrantie no woni o. Na yadie ba ye no wo de hwade. Yadie ba ye no. Na hwe. Ama sisi a wona oh. Wa mo bra na fi yare. Bi benya wa na fi yare. Mira Yesu e yare yo. Eradie. Centrani wure. Mayarisa. Yo me genti yadie ba ye no. Na hwe. Ti abusu mesere wo. Se ka wakoma nko akaka bi betimi di abo enu aba bia. The mobile money number is 0549 432 276. 0549 432 276. 0549 432 276. Ni abranche no mobile money number. The dino Alex Ofori. The dino Alex Ofori. Kakra bi aka wakoma bia na ochi bi akọ dialysis abusia. Dialysis require 12 million na ochi bia. Ti Mr. Abusia. Say hardware na say nyame adon na say obetimi na wode na won kwa kakra bi abetimi bia. Yemfa mo abranti. Afei, the account number so ye 2090 2614 73117. 2090 2614 73117. 2090 2614 73117. Ebusu yemfa mo ayi nua be me wate. Na odumura Yankopon twedi ampon be say yadom. Yame a onim sade na oyɛ na obɛka yɛ na wɔhyira yɛn so na wayɛ akoma so ade ama yɛn ɛwɔ na Awurade Yesu Kristo de mu nti amen. Alex nyame nti wobɛnya nkwa na wobɛtena ase na waka na mani yɛ ɛde akyerɛ ɛsan sɛ ate asefo nkwa na ɛbɛyi Awurade ayɛ nti yɛnnua yɛ moma yɛ mmoa na nyame ma no nya nkwa kae sɛ wobɛkunafo na abusua Joseph so ne kakra na aka wɔ ne kuruwa mu nya na ɔde kɔbɔ afɔdeɛ na ɔde kɔbɔ afɔdeɛ adeɛ kyeyɛ afesese na ne kuruwa ayɛ mabuso nyame yɛ ado na ɔka wakoma ɔfakofi nyame hwɛ wo de kan aboa yɛ nua bɛma me ɛna me boss obi trading nyame hwɛ ɛna mama dan na kosi ɔhene ere na to asen na ere ɔtɔ ɔhene brempɔn na ere no ɔnso aboa pa bebre na se kwam na nkyɛm bɛte nka ne ate abusua bɛsɛ ɔbɛkunafo de kakra na aka ɔde kɔbɔ afɔ de bible sɛ adeɛ kyeyɛ ne kuruwa ayɛ mabuso mze nyame yɛ ado na ɔka wakoma kakra bi obetimi de aboa branti bia oso kuruwa bɛyɛ mabuso na rasafo ade bɛ kai wo sɛ de ɔkai me free set no ade bɛ kai wo de brepem na wayɛ akoma so ade ama David di Jonathan Joseph na ɔmo yɛ ayɔnko ɔmo dɔ ɔmo ho pa na de bebi kwa Jonathan save David ama no nti yɛnya David enko no na me be dui David kai nkodin ne boa Jonathan de boa no ɔse de obia ne Jonathan fia metimi ayɛ na yɛ ana abusua mo ade be boa brantie papa ba ya ma brantie nti ebile bi be ba ebia na woni ho na Yakobɔ bebu sase ti wo bia ni asomasi ana obentin fi a mesu metimi aboa no metimi akai no bia na enam ye nua be ma ya wo boa ye e ma nyame nam so nche me kwant benim se nyame be e de ahye ne dia ne munyam ɛwɔ nyɛ awurade yesu kristo din nti amen ne din no ne ne namba ne da so nti abusua ahoɔden no wɔ hɔ a na ɔfa no afrɛ na kakra bi abɛtum bia wode aboa na pipia ayɛ asomdwe nim sɛ nyame no abɛyɛ na wama yɛakoma so ade nyinaa ɛnso abɛmeda ase sɛ ɔkyerɛ berɛ na wohwɛ me meba se na mekɔ a na yɛ meyaw kɔyɛ abɛyɛ abusua so ho nti meba by Grace TV live so a memfa ne sɛ meba abɛyɛ adwuma ho daabi mefa ne sɛ asɛ meba m'abusuafoɔ because me maame nom ne me papa nom ne me wɔfa nom ne me nua nom kɔ a na ɛgu ntentan fidie so ɛwɔ by Grace TV so nti abusua momfa me sɛ mo ba ate momfa me sɛ mo nua aketewa mo wɔfa ase mo nana befom a da bia me numbers da me video ase me video bi ada ase na wɔfa no afrɛ me me nana me wɔfa ase me ba asɛm a woka yɛ deɛ na ne kwan sɛ ɔka ne saa anase deɛ wosi yɛ deɛ mɛnyɛ ne sɛ yɛ sei na masua deɛ firi ne yɛnyina bɔ sɛ sɛ ɛnyame no apa a ɔbɛyɛ ama no ayie ɔde yɛbɛduru soro nyame naa deɛ nyame bɛyɛ abusua deɛ akɔ so ne adeɛ nyinaa me saa nneɛma nsɛm a ɛkɔ so a me na obi frɛ kansɛm de fa mo kyerɛ ɛma mu sɛ ei ɛneɛ na asomadu sɛ sɛ lose hope asomadu ei me nua mente ase asomadu wosɛ lose hope oh we asomadu yee bɛmɛ na ade asɛ na asomadu kɛ mete wo comment akyɛ mehu wo comment akyɛ asɛ bɛyɛ asomadu sɛ sɛ mente ase asomadu can you come again wosɛ lose hope mente ase so but saa nneɛma woyɛ kɔ so nyinaa ma wo sɛ neɛ nokorɛ ebia na yɛ biribi ɛsom bo na bɛma obi koraa bɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔbɛyi to a obi saa de afa ho ɛsɛ sɛ twerɛsɛm ka ɔsɛ kuro ketewa ma mo nyame no aka yɛn ho na menim sɛ nyame naa ɛde yɛbɛduru hɔ nti mo ma yɛ nsuro okay by Grace TV ahwɛfoɔ I mean nea yɛhui ne de ayɛ ti mo ma yɛ ma ne mu yɛabɛm de biara ta. I'm talking about the family, not you. Okay. Oka abranti ebusua na. Anase wan. Asomadu. Hey. Boga, is it amete won kai che? Is it we jam hwe? On hwe by Grace TV view. Go say asembu ameka on penisa anti on hwe bi Mati Asomadu. Oh, banya me sa na me ofa na oprekope. So, busua ni aye hui ne ni aye ti. Mo ma ye mane mu ya bem de biara da. Me ma sham ho de ho. Oh, okay. Ozo mo lusu. There be more monus who send me be a baby. Niamu ya, niamu tio, niamu yo, emanimu ya bemuta, niami yo, niami tio, emanimu ma bemuta, niaye ya, etimimu ya bemudo, niaye tia. Eti mu ya bamuda ni ayehu ya enti mu ya bamudo ni ayetia enti mu ya bamuda anadie be na yehu ya ama ye kasa bebrebe yo anadie be na yatia ama ye kasa na jaya dwindwin ya anaye refi ana so si yemfa yendadwin any year how nina and to this so eya rowana eye nipa bi na ka nsem gu ani wase ana asebi na chewu so a wodi ewini okamafo meni obetwitwa jiwo ama hu se ya wu ya etimi mu abamuda ni ayehu ya etimi mu ya bamudo ya yetia etumi mu ya bemuda ti abusua obi anya idea woye na bibi anya so je brepam ye be hia but mo abranti ma mo amsere mo abusua wo anya mbeka wakoma wadaroma na ahode won kakra bi abetim bia no ye mfa mo abranti na bibi anya boko me dey come na usumi da so je bre na hwe brepam ye be hia nya me kan I love you so much for empo wo a wo mpem asem me do wo bia onam na ose me di me do ti a menye sa na me menye sa for bia ho da oti ti me nkoye sa kra me nua ba asema the voice na down asema the voice na down as I say voice na down oh the voice na asema do dem on person be kan kra the voice na there pa I was your voice na asema do there but on person be kan kra voice na there Anya heya na the tafo wan fa. A heya na me video no mre one time bi a. Ya beautiful ewo USA. Na ya beautiful ko wan fa ne abusua. Aya mo hwe no ma na me hu the comment ache. Ya beautiful a comment the kwabena. Me wo dwuma mo America buchime mu but my disturbed. My basa asem ntimi ko anya dwuma ma bre. Me hu dia me nya asem I slow me moral from to come na to nyo mame. Na me nya ho de nya dwuma. To nyo no lumba nyo mo puni hine me. But to nyo no kama. But to my ya beautiful kwabena bra wo to nyo na say ahode bi awura me mu. Ama me nya ahode foforo ntimi ko akoye dwuma me dase. Kwabena fa wo ba mo ni na ba me na nyo ma wo to ye no. Me person me mama kra masa me crab ban ho so me ni agi makoma to me yem ama me nya ho de obi ama to me ama ya beautiful nya ho de ndi akoye adwuma so be do say kwa me asare we yemfa anyo na ya asam kitu abusia me dwane to asante here say ooh obidije me amedwa pa efri say odorko ye dia na wadi mi achi o me nya nkrase Ode hu ba beju fie nenti me kwa kotie nkomode hu. Aye pan yo ni kuya mo komti. Mesiesi ode chi se di odoba. Nenti nensha me kasano de uche mi ho. Ado yewe. Se kom di odu. Ai no safobia she me kasa. Omodo yewu atu mi prumwa. Odopa dia rewo kodada die. Odobi ebe na fe na meba. Oprohimio. Daddy na fe na meba. Odori ya minyayo. Osuagun sumenti yo. Dada oprecha na me umada ji. Odobi ebe na fe na meba. Menim sani ya medofu ini mi wa grunti na. Odo akwa bi me da enti osumo manibo bitutu mi kan ko jina kwanche yo bejina kwanche me twenwo bidishie odo yewu na pie no a muhwe America bi a odeba na da shenima na de ni atata ni sompo so mi mu na do yewe ya be ma fiwo a o bidishie Eneye na no bia dem you say why Odoso mi mu boko yetutu ya na said ya kwa ahimfie no ya for don go na preaching kase odo bi emi na fe na me ba apro himio daddy na fe na me ba ayena ki awatima ida kuwe me frefre wa na ji Aprohimio, daddy na fe na meba. I know who's a chawe, that's so many me frefrewa, nane. Aprohimio, daddy na fe na meba. Odo me fa bufo chema sosa. Na koye de na wadi mi acho. Abaso mi da so jawo. Daddy me are da su. Ode. Aprohimio, Aprohimio, daddy na fe na meba. Se o anya odo da, o se odo nye de. Odo be kume. Just I mean, me tonyo we kawa. Me tonyo na. Ya beautiful say, kwa be na. I was your first man making. Mo asada na mo hwe me boa, mo meka se me boa. We dey abusuafo mo wa ha nyankoi. Asem mo making se me boa, mo yi me to. Na man fo asem making se bi me boa. Mother Roma. Me tonyo me say ya say, kwa be na. What to you now, master? Bibia, I just have one make him. I just have one own casa or see casa no moves as one make no cray. The to you now, ma. Afi, Yabi was Cobina. What to you now, master? Spirit be a bow rubbing. How much is a spirit in the moon? Yen century. And you come now, there be no to you. Now come up, bread, mean to me ground, so you put my quack or yajima. But I said, what to you now, ma? Minimbe be a hodini free, may now or this one could be. No business company. This is what money number. I'm saying, I was going to bet me. But to your man, I come out of you. And yes, I mean, yeah, from the Akaka. So, yeah, and there are some of them, my voice in the perfect. What are my voice in there? My voice, I am beautiful. I didn't want dancing. My voice here, come on. So, It's also to the why imagine say, can you imagine be a touch and be a sunja? Anka would always be celebrating our legend. Near turning your near dear, not be a come. So then you also the come. Anyway, opening name, I am a favorite pa. It's I mean the Kadun Banyum me and sign yam them. Opening name make a home. I am a depa. May cry imagine say. Wow, she also that number you bear out the pa. Fabra comment section with me. Fabra comment section. Number you bear pan out there. Opening be a new beer, just a metia and a be me. So it's a song I love so much. It is awful. Number you bear out there. Sorry, I see. Not be behind come. I love that song a lot. The thing you want to say, be yemi pa to say anything. I was young vampire money and quite things that be any opium. And Modern will say, is there something we have to talk about? Why is it be any abuse? Until the young vampire money, young call. My young stranger, myself, one room. Let be behind your book. So let be behind your country. No, be a command to him. I am putting here. Yeah, baby, I see your money. Was a found you now, so you're then. Wow, show me for the bra. Say, me too, I took a carry my name to the na jay. Okay, just obviously I'm putting here. Yeah, baby, I see your money that group into ya. People quite a view. I am footing ye. Every day that be a chi. Yeah, baby, I see your money that group into ya. People quite a view. I am footing ye. Every day that be a chi. The people quite a view that day. The people quite a view. I am footing ye. Every day that be a chi. Obiara wo baby aya na odi na kesesem brono a ya na oswa na hinche etina beje mu na yehu a ayefuchi ya na ebi di debi echi ye no tumfwe na o say tutui ahofefo that to mu osina na kasa na o marutiewu ma ho meso na sentimental wechia to me, the dear my own face, ABD the BH. I'm putting ye ABD the BH. There's often two the amateur. I told you the amateur. How did I say comment no a breaking heart? Oh, sir. I didn't have a comment not maybe I'm sure the comments not there, remember. Comment is say. So, okay, we are didn't come about Sabayan 70 picture. Okay, and tonight I can say. As I to be charged, this area, a bushel for one more atobaha, and a beer, one somehow, or mania pepe, engineer, and you're born so I never born Helena. Why caption here, a good caption, you're born so I rather man, and more commented to. Okay, all right. Helena Lumba, no Ben, there was Nipa 121 assuring. Or the animal out than a comment or comment session. I mean, try saving him to a meeting out of a car. It's obviously say, Intisadi Anchimia. Okay. Okay, it's obviously Intisadi Anchimia. Okay. And Rabesen no mean. And I congratulate me then no. Minyada dear drinking my brabo. All that cosia sewan. The moon sam was in good meow. Monquan show be toba. Where Janani dear Nini bibia. A go. Seni sikuni maho edinsa wa yodo udontiyo nyami shroud no ba be ne beye seni kube ya my sign dia debia no ne don't go for my soul I want him powerful frosso sewe ma fiwo. It is a bianchimia, Matunyu bianchoda, Obejini huedinia. Iba is a bianchimia, Matunyu bianchoda, Odo Bejinidia. Miriasio, and name a kumaunina. I'm so way me to Enti kwache Enyafu so mamentini so bi ma shrinkofo bebra mentumi achon Senia mi si factor no Oh yeah, me last chance. A sonja me takre. Na me yako dieta went fan to come don cheya. Na me fa tete call from when isi ai. Ti me we asi na. I'll say where me to oh. It is a the anchimia. Matonio mi anchoda. Obejini wedinia. Iba is a the anchimia. Matonio mi anchoda. Adobejini wedinia. Na so nyamini said your bomb me pepe. Ah. And yet you ma me pepe. Son of boy me so ba ma me pepe. It is a why you do. Who don't you? Nyamin shroud. Unshroud. It is a the anchimia. Antonio mi anchoda. Obejini wedinia. Nipa is a the anchimia. Antonio mi anchoda. Adobejini wedinia. Tinosi yobako. And as I was a factor, many oda netie, yet you're done into Boisier, Atlan Fishia Bebre. Now, no, somewhere see ye, be brony dear reho, upon me sell me go. Then so me quay ye, or the sea muscle, meet me go yame fan ho. The Sago Woody away, that lumba, say bet to me the another factor. Although you went about the say, na die nsae wama nkwanta yira mi menko ama homatia ti senke betu media se betu media na do fache o awon fe fache me wa matamfu nyame o odo fache o ti na sewa menko ami broni dada lumbe kojo fosu akosia brimpoma nyame o odo fache o se betu media another facho. I offer fache member matamfu nsrimio other facho. Se betu media another fache. I offer fache member matamfu makamanu masemina. Dia chere medo. Odo se dia menko. Na so me ko enye ye. Odo si maso. Mintimi ko nyame fa ho. Me ko ama homatia. Ti se betu media. Se betu mi di another fachu. Na sewa. Menko ami broni. Dada lumbe. Konjo fosu. Akosia brimpoma. Nini aba. Uyatia. Na stay. Meni onyamfo. Se betu mi di another fachu. Onfe fache. Mema matamfu nyami o. Another fache. So what time ya? As well as in the so which me, I just didn't to my try my car. So what time ya? And your old boy. So what time ya? No day. So which me, ya Kutianum pan about a Kutianum pa a Kutianum and also the other. So what time ya? So which me, and your old boy. So what time ya? No which me, so what time ya? And the old wow, just what is in your so what time ya? So uchimia, as what is the uchimia, and the old wow, and so what time ya? Also, found your brother, you have found your bra. As your life 2 hours 53 minutes in the next 7 minutes now. You have continue, be a person. I mean, you'll be able to be a fabra. Now, I can be a mental 2x4 sound from our near found corner. And the last day of the month to me appreciate you, beer. Me appreciate you be our Janet Bray. Now I share by Grace TV throughout the month. Me that will be arasi. You meet me and say, Madam Wasi. Now my dear my entertaining work. So which me and your old boy. You don't see a back. Anna. A new way. Was that in your power? Now, Kanoma. Yeah, no way for them, but your friend no so try open. As what you are welcome. Me dey some brap, you know, so there be as your own show where you mama. Man ya me say na me dey anu. Unu anya no aso me. Anyu man between your friend no so try open. Yeah, okay. na nkwanoma menu nsuo matwe opeo moja bidi afrisane mede animi abayo na nkwanoma menu nsuo matwe opeo kwabne moja bidi afrisane mede animi abayo na okuntompo nyine enade awrade na abeme eja ni obatampa ono no ni mo ni bi asem koto grodu sini dan ya obi anko nsuo ma no eso aboa na afitene netie kakra na wasi o wiase abraba ye boya ni anenye mbriketu eni akoka se we no di kan yo enti mi ni aya ni wae se unyanye ya bensu frisebi dia ba ni ntempa abebi nsu bewu aneso mini afa ni mi aye na o pe bi obre ye chi shemi be pie o mununkum ye chi tina mesi mi mpa be me ma mi amesa adine sutando frio ofa jemfi ofa ya puku ofa jemfi se obenu mi nsu atwen opeu ni na kanoma menu nsu ma twen opeu moja bidi afusane me de ani mi abayo ose kotokuro du sine dan a obi anko nsu ma na bisua on se yeni a menka se ni atel kra ye di krom na bi ho on se sometimes we ofia abon se edan na ofia no one ho na se asa aboa bi ase menka sa aboa ase na tie bi aye afom shape bi o ni se me pese me kire wi kotokuro no on se wo ofia wo se ase wo no wo twam obedu ba bi na ase ebian net kokoi bi ana ase net nye net kokoi na ase aye bibi sa tare dan no so eno ye dan no a omo kire se aboa kotokuro dusi no eno ya na oya na tare down so me say busia wo mo hwe mo hu sa de ya meka so wo de American e dey sa for mo on say ase obo say owo ho ana say dan ho ba bi esro ba bi bo say ase na tie bi ye de na tie bi anwen ase aye bibi sa abo ho no eno ya aboa kotokuro dan ya wasi na that room ase aboa kotokuro do enim ni so wo si ni dan ya sa dan na oya tare down no obi eno wo konsuo ma no because kotokuro do ye hu say wo si ni dan no a ye hu say bia aso mesi na obenten atwe sabi bucket bia na atwechen ayi bi say aso de wo say o de konsuo ama kotokuro si ni dan but ye be wan say a dan aboa na si bi to say kotokuro do si ni dan ya obi an konsuo ma no enso aboa na afitene netie kakra na wasi o ti obi an konsuo ma aboa no ye be wan say kakra aboa na wasi ni dan ho ti wo ka ya chewu bia na wo hwe say wiase abraba ye boy ni anenye mbriketu eni akoka se we na di kan yo enti mi ni ahia ni wai se unyanye ya mensuo frisebi dia ba ni ntempa abebi nsu bewu aneso aso de se sa abo no omo kai ya ho me sa kotokuro minim da omo kai ya ho sa I see it's not a lumba day aboa no abrabo ye futu sam dia mai na se abrabo no se wo bo na obi a hu se bia woni boafo bia o ba bi obi anso hu a emane haw because aboa yi mpo sini dan obi a nko nso ma no ono afite na tie no ono atimi sini dan ya ade na wonso ntimi nti o de koso a kotokuro do sini dan ya obi a nko nso ma no aboa na afite na tie kakra na wasi o wiase abrabo aye boya mini anenye mbriketu eni akoka se we na odi kan yo enti ni ahia ni wai se unyanye ya mensu frisebi dia ba ni ntempa abebi nsu bewu aneso mini afa ni mi aye na ho mepe bi wo bre ye chi ehye mi be pie wo monunkum ye chi tina me se me mpa be me ma mi amesa adine nsu tando frio ofa jemfi se obenu mi nsu atwen opeu nkanuma enu nsu ma twen opeu moja bidi afusane me de ani mi abayo na no to say ohia maga na de shimaima yetu ahweti we de nu we akonfo amohwe nyame nka mo ate na wonya makoma so ade ma mo adwum we that part we nzo to ma mo ohia maga na de shimaima yetu ahweti grofo grosso enso ye kan say na ye ade mu no ohia na asomaye me de ara ho tu kwan ko bi mai so akwantu ogun nsem aya o enso oba akofo akohun aya na odansi fo wahini o sɛ mede abɛgye me nua no mfa nyinam amadwo na abusuafoɔ yi ho firi sɛ menim sɛdeɛ me nkurɔfoɔ tie o yɛne wɔ asetena yi mu ebi a me maame mbɔ ne di yi o na asuafoɔ ne ma yi ebi a me maame mbɔ ne di yi o Faustina asuafoɔ ne ma yi ebi a na ba ebu ada o ebi a me ma mbɔ ne di yi o kwaku pɔn wee ebi a na me ma ebu ada o asi yɛ ɔmo do light o asɛm yi asɛm sɛ ɔko ne mu yɛ deɛ a ɛyɛ a mo ma yɛ nkɔ fisi ebetumi akɔ ne yɛ di nkonim yɛsɛ mmiri pa wɔ yɛ nim o madamfo agya yawa ofra santi jamasi agya mi nya odi mbara da o yɛsɛ num so fa twɛn ɔpɛ o na nkwanoma mɛnum so ma twɛn ɔpɛ o mogya redi afusane mede yɛ ni mi abɛyɛ o nti ɛno so yɛ na saa na yɛ mede paa ɔsɛ yɛ difference between num so twɛn ɔpɛ ɛna nkwanoma so agya mi bɛ na ta confuse ɔmo wɔ num so twɛn ɔpɛ ne nkwanoma utie ne nsɛm no a ɛbɛhyɛ wo nkura mo akɔ anim tina ama yi nyinaa yɛ nsɛm ayɛ bebree a yɛku so a because this man wa influence yɛ nyinaa yɛ abrabɔ ɛne abrabɔ sɛ yɛkora yɛ nkwadaa afei ne yɛba ɔda influence yɛ nyinaa yɛn thinking ɛne yɛn perception about life he's such a person no yɛbɛbɔ mpa yɛ sɛ nyame bɛyɛ adom na n'akyi bɛyɛ asomdwe na biribiara bɛyɛ bɔkɔ so baasa wɔde si kotokuro no ɔka wa ne ya no saa ɛyɛ asɛm o ayɛsi bi experience bi da na mepɛ sɛ ma experience bi nso deɛ okay example say ɛyɛ aka akwantum okay nti ɛyɛ aka akwantum ɔsɛ ɛbɛba akɔ obi di kan ba ti kɔ no ɔte sɛ pɛrɛ hello no best residence wɔn ni daddy na ne champion ni ɛyɛ nani na wasere kakra ɔmo start ɛwusa mo yɛ ready ɛna month ne kɔ wie last day of the month na me entertain yɛ nyinaa no nti mo nfa nkyɛn mi sɛ asɛ mo yɛ okay di anaa mo mpɛ ne saa abusua sɛ mo nyɛ okay sɛ ɔmo nka na mi nya yɛ madaroma nti ɛbɛba ɔte sɛ bibi pɛrɛ example nyuma obusa na mbɛto no hello no best residence why ni daddy na na champion ni o nani no asika kai nani odi ane mpamu o se ya kakra na ana wana na power da so ene o se abrantie na obedu na nsia na ma fa sia sia tumi din ebi se boga yemre ebi se boga me niam ma o se Ghana for ne nsem ka odi anu achi odi aroho be ka obi man so sa na ya ma sante mampo ni ba kwa kujamfi ya ne bra ni jo odi aroho aka obi man so alpo bia so ni sro wa ntaka ma fam sa tie dia ye behwe ni asa ko echi okay na bye pam den akusu ya se wase oya ka kwentu just careful sway me ya ka kwentu na na champon me ya ka kwentu na ne Lydia champon oya ka kwentu to mo bobo mo din na wi a akwantu no abeto akwantu ofiti odo mankoma akwantu fu aye bro nya di akoko hu bida eni ahu mawu nika se mi di anu a osu ni o shegre na di esia obi asu anu ma mahwa mawu aka obi man so chasie kwaku jamfise oya ka kwantu Lydia champon oya ka kwentu na ye amfunie oya ka kwentu teacher watch sampa oya ka kwentu na ye yamfunie oya ka kwentu nani na sana take on it to be crap was say in chamani murphy na me ya na take on it ya mama yo say na mama dey comfortable sa titi ni o enene na sana akontifo anyumu yakoma mo atinya men ka mo na onye makoma so ade mama na onye bibia yi mama enene na sana take on it to be crab was say intwa mani murphy na me ya cha kwentu na so me kone say me kwa koye die yeni ma dwendwen amama ka kwentu me konkoje animguasie mfata miu koje mahu bi penti no tina meni ambri na neste koyo daddy lumba koyo akoso ya se wa koyo Lydia champon koyo poko iso wato koyo osebru ni koyo ya sosie edie na mpanyufo ya nye ɛwɔ sɛ kurom abɔnten so na so ɔmama ho ahinti nkurɔfoɔ hyɛ aseɛ mema wɔn din ebi de bɔga pio ebi de bɔga kranteɛ bɔga ho nyinaa bɔga ma hu bɔga ba yɛ mmerɛ bɔga ba yɛ mmerɛ me kɔnkɔgye anim guaseɛ mfata mi o na sɛ meka sɛ medi ano a ai no so ni ɔhyɛ brɛ na deɛ si a obi asu kɔ no ma o mahwɛ ama ewu aka obi ma nso kyaseɛ kuroma ta wiase ɔyɛ aka akwantuo nti ɛno nso yɛyɛ aka akwantuo nwom baako a ɛyɛ paa no and I think it's the first album. Yeah, I stand to be corrected, but I know say Meyaka Quentum and that number first album about one thing. Yes, that's a reporter. Yakada, that's a reporter. I mean, I think say Nona. It is another the first album about one thing. And yes. Yaka Quentum. The Anthony Meyaka Quentum. No, see, I'm at the past. I don't know. And then, yeah, I want to act. Now, you say, almost as I bear born, no, you're 30 years in pool, but you tell someone or car, you was I no more. As you tell you, the man that he was born for this, Yamisha, that born said, on Rambe did you make DBA because we are only 30 years in pool at that time, what you born, I can't send me a Tissan. Just say, and you ask get all. So, okay, I can't remember him. I think say, my brain so last two songs na yanko the next one Ankwanoma things that the alphabet check around now. Okay, the last but one I last two the two Ankwanoma people back on yanko ti Ankwanoma na yebeti Ankwanuma, but they make grandma. Ankwanuma, but they make grandma bar for you. I met me be a members one amico, me found me grandma for the air. Can you be me number? Now, I mean, oh yeah, just in send the bray. So, the Ankwanuma, but they make grandma bar for you. I met me be a members one amico. Ankwanume, anume, or nanume. Ankwanuma, members one amico. Ankwanuma, but they make grandma bar for the company. The met me be a members one amico. Ankwanume, anume, or nanume. Ankwanume, members one amico. So be been a bubonia, cabenia, cumebia mano. Ajuma mi ye you, Wajuma, Chassi, me kwame, quabne, me kwame shebre. Juma mi ye you, Wajuma. Kwabne mi kwame shebre. Tukwanuma, kwanya me nansu di emu ohu akwantu ohu nsam ye nkantra ka obehu se ma bra me hu bio na nkwansiri enye di amepene se mebutu odi mi chi ahwe from shebre nti na mana basa abusia me fru mi di akwaje obo afo onimo ti na obi asukonu mai me di are hu aka akwantu maka ntam se nka me ye bi abo abusiafo na chibi mauna me da ho nka manfo nso asu ambobidi enso mabusia di amanfo di ampadi po omaka ntama di sese therefore man ye di bayo ni enso me mpaba fise be ma ni wo kwajo ye ni ametimi bia me merso wana miko ankwanume anume wana nume ankwanume me merso wana miko ankwanume anume wana nume ankwanume memerso wana miko nipa beji nidi nipa mepe onicho timiyani ametimi bia memerso wana miko ankwanume anume wana nume ankwanume memerso wana miko that's it ye nyakwa yi ase na nampedu ni ma dance fo amafo be subo ni di o kwadwe imedi atumi hofo ayo sansani di medi enka me dimitri be twaso yasi bema newu so brand unya neye Chasalenjima Ghana Video City Chasi ejudi se nipa belitwe mbio Obamiko amesa obamiko Etimi yadi ametimi bia Memerso anamiko Ankwanume, anume, wananume. Nankwanume, Memerswanamiko. Ankwanume, anume, wananume. Nankwanume, Memerswanamiko. Yes, that is it. So I appreciate this so much. Midamuna Masi, so much of brain. I think say this year they need now payment. Young fan payment in the absence of any other request, you need to pay money. Midamuna Masi, month here you remain. So the money can come. This is the 5th month of the year. Me question mama the mama wan say busua osoro tawachi. Ti ade bi apese oye bia. Anamonto bi apese otu bia. Ema bibia amohu. Ema bibia antwe nsan. Sorry. Not make a step. On osoro tawachi. Maybe beyond one sign. Or they just get up and make a move. Na me say ye nyame kan ho. Nti dia wo see woni so afim obi was 2026 okase o person o sifie okase o person o toka okase o person ka advance in education o person o tu anamon bi abusua me kai wo say na twam a abosome nan na twam kro aka mu watwe dia na dia see woni so bi a person o yam enye hwe sorry na ye shasi fashion yaminsa ne tu anamon no so tawachi. And me with GDS and Yammy money because when you read the Bible, brother, Israel for most of Israel for no more journey from museum as answer. It will be Pharaoh as I done and once there be almost museum phone called chill on one's arm for Mumra. But that's in Yamana castle making move no more continue. I will go do a prono and as a prono and Cham Baba do one. Now, a wire day, Pharaoh soon call for the deal, my tea on my tea. Almost as I already did. I mean, it was a fact. For money, born soon. The crime will be done, uncle. Until the sorry, get up and make a move. The two will be more dim point. I mean, I bet your crime. Or be more quiet, but that is swim. I'm away from uncle. Just be optimistic. Just have faith in the Lord and make a move. Now, also touch. Also, more when you want. Okay, so make a move. I'll be behind you. But don't be a young kind of now. Yeah, come on, from my happy new month in advance. Need to come also. I prepare me wish you. Koswa, let's by grace TV. I love you so much. And but don't be able to who are open myself, one open myself. Doing na yen come what's it? Na yen come quiet me. Na yen from and you never do my boy. Na what kind? Prepare me wish you. Macro. Bye bye.